God-fearing people. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, because I'm in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Bada 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 bing 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 bing. Good afternoon. Good. Yo, this look a bit low. Right, it's nice and but Tony don't look a bit there. Tony don't look a bit there. Nice and warm, but Tony don't look a bit there. Tony don't look. Check. Yeah, man. Good afternoon, people. Everything is everything. My name is Ragashanti. I'm here to host of the show, the king of Mixup, the principal. That would be me, Mr. Washbelly. Welcome to the real Mixup An Blenda sitting. Our time, about 10 after 1 right now. Large up on the tell people, we say Mixup entertainment on a show here. We say laugh, learn, and grow. That's our motto. And we also have another motto, which is what? Thick skin and broad back, I do it. A thick skin and broad back, I do it. You have to trunk, we can't turn up in a this Gideon here. Big up the Mixup family up in our place right here now. DJ Chris Cross there. Road to the K.O. to the producer in our red soul. And poor Ruthie now. Boy, Ruthie, I don't know how you going to make me see them the same thing then. Me say, Ruthie I eat her food and I stretch her hand for cut and dumpling, you know. And when me look on the Ruthie arm and her bossy suit, you know, German. Now one tear on the Ruthie arm. One hell of a tear on the Ruthie arm. My girl, hot girl, now wear tear out arm suit, you know. I want me to you. Well, fancy cat say it's not that bad. A true fancy cat, I look you. Me not wrong your fancy. And then me I look at him, I say, no, I can hardly see it. A true fancy cat want up your body. Okay. And I know it's a hot girl, now wear tear out. Yo, me not lie. I know some woman call back and they take it back to Roach. But boy, Roach bust some talk yesterday was shell down the place. Man, I lie. Roach bust some talk yesterday was shell down the place. Fancy cat, you never hear Roach start them. He can't hear them, no. No, me I tell you, it's a Roach a sample. Roach, anyway, where you say, cat? Where you say? Fancy cat says, sit down the bad pot, sugar and water. Yo, Roach says some girl said I'm a hot girl and I mix them juice and them lemonade and them Kool-Aid and thing in a bad pan. No, do it. Don't do it. Lemonade and Kool-Aid and juice not for mixing a bad pan. No. You see it. And Fancy Cat say, oh, remember the other Roach talk and I say, you can't too broke. For there your relative funeral and still a juggle and sell things. It's not right. No do it. Hey, Roach not easy, you know. Roach say them girl they eat it, you know, them go them daughter funeral and I sell biscuit and peanut and all them some of the cheese sticks and chicken. No. Only in a Jamaica we hear them. Yeah. Hey, cat them for the rule right there though. Yo, no, big ass sit. No, hey, I know the other one will take it though. Roach say my watch, man, sit down. Chris Cross, you know, a big man thing when man sit down and I watch World Cup. Right? Yeah. A gangster thing them. We don't want no woman bother with them time there. You understand? That's probably the only time man turn them back and all start out. When I have some good game I go up on World Cup. You understand? And Roach sit down and I watch him game. Roach sit down and I watch him proper World Cup. And Roach a cartel woman. Vibes cartel woman. Come up and put her underwear. What's your drive on the... I get where come from, don't it? And anybody from Ghetto, I don't know, say, we say dry clothes back a fridge, right? I don't know them road code there. Long time thing that, right? Because I not lie. When my mama never have the money and I want suit of khaki clothes, me I juggle with you. Try to know that I wash a night and put back at the fridge. Because it have to dry by a morning. And them time that my mother use the iron where you put on the cold stove and you take it off. You have two cloth. You have one cloth for all the iron and next cloth for rub off the cold dust off of the iron and then you iron and get chop. So, yeah, you know them iron there. And they heavy, see man. They heavy. As country people I say, they heavy. They heavy. You understand? So we know what it is to watch clothes. One suit of clothes in our night and put it back in our fridge. But sometime, when we don't have the fridge, what we work with? The fan. Right? A whole heap of people dry clothes pan fan. When the fan a blow, you just work. But what me I say? Big man like Roach are watching World Cup. And Vibes Cartel woman come and wash her underwear and put it on the fan when the man put her panty on the fan for dry when the man a watch World. No. No, if me not lie, me know say enough man now go even admit this. But you see, if I'm my woman, and she need for dry her panty and she put it on the fan, I'm gonna work with my woman panty breeze. Chris Cross, talk it true. You da work with your woman panty breeze?
I have no choice, so I can have to sleep.
But what me I say? Me not mean for be too disgusting right now, but we all know that there are minuscule particles that were not removed even under the most aggressive washing. There are very small particles that might still be in the underwear. And then now, you imagine you there sit down and watch World Cup and eat all your food, you all eat all some chips or something and thing. And so I put it, and all of a sudden I say, yo, you know how the chips have some salt to them? Yo, the man did heavy with the salt. You understand? No, sir. So we can't say, oh, Roach, mother upset to Roach. Roach, mother upset to. You understand? You came and you sit on there, you watch out Brazil. I take it to them, you see it? And I use a big man thing, man, a gangster around here. And Vibes Cartel woman come put her underwear pan the fan, whether they are cool you down. And when you glance over, all you can see is this underwear from Vibes Cartel woman attached to the fan and just a blow so. And just a flatter. And the whole of the panty breeze they connect you. And no. Roach, you're sample, me not lie. Roach, you're chop, me not lie. Hey, at the talk, I road, you know. I'm job, I road, man. Yo, Raga, for real. That girl makes just in a bad pun. Yeah, and boy, John, I couldn't sell the food. I'm a relative them funeral. I couldn't do it. I couldn't. Why, mama, you don't know, say. Me not hide and talk and me say mama straight and Roach. Me know how you feel now where mama I'm a link. Mama I'm a link like that. But mama me not lie. Roach bring it yesterday, you know. Mama you have the sample tart them, but you know, in terms of lyrics I think we not lie, mama. Roach bring it yesterday. I had to talk and run the place right here now. Vibes Cartel, big up yourself.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the team them.
Ambition at that, me say. When I talk about Ragashanti, I talk about the daddy for mix up. It's a program a strictly hot girl calling panda programmer. Cause some girls say them hot and don't know the meaning of hotness. Some girls say them hot and them favor end up drop in a nail box. I want to take some girls who favor Roger Clark. Some girls say them hot and favor jackfruit in a bad suit.
Well, stop right. Wait, ladies and gentlemen, listeners and people present here at Nationwide 90 FM, I would like to invite you all at this moment to use your imagination and attempt to come up with an image of how a duppy look after it dropping a nail box. I mean, you ever watch Hellraiser and see the brother with a woolly pin in it? Play back at you. No, if you really stop and think about the other one too, you know, is that cannot be a pleasant sight. If a woman look like jackfruit in a bathing suit, I want to look like jackfruit in a bikini. Can't. Play it.
Ambition at that, me say. When I talk about Ragashanti, I talk about the daddy for mix up. It's a program a strictly hot girl calling panda programmer. Cause some girls say them hot and don't know the meaning of hotness. Some girls say them hot and them favor end up drop in a nail box. I want to take some girls who favor Roger Clark. Some girls say them hot and favor jackfruit in a bad suit. Run the rhythm for all of the hot girls and we all listen to Ragashanti and Michael as represent.
Oh.
Yo! To all my hot ladies. Ragashanti ladies.
Okay, people, it's about 12 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Something. Oh my God! You believe that?
Yo, we have a very interesting Can You Believe It today. So I want to listen carefully because I'm kind of confused about some things. But just listen carefully. Chris Cross, you have to listen to Can You Believe It. Michelle, listen to Jeremy, and you have to listen to Can You Believe It. Ruthie, well, you know it, Ruthie, and thing. All right, everybody listen. Man sues woman over stolen sperm pregnancy. Man sues woman over stolen sperm pregnancy. Oh, Jesus. What we say, Can You Believe It, Tower? True stories from around the world. True stories from around the world that make you say, oh, Jesus, anything can really go. So we're in the state of Illinois. That Malipa Jamaica can pronounce Illinois. And here we go. A man says his former lover deceived him by getting pregnant using semen obtained through oral sex can sue. No, a man who says his former lover deceived him by getting pregnant using semen obtained through oral sex can sue for emotional distress but not theft, an appeals court has ruled. Dr. Richard O. Phillips accuses Dr. Sharon Irons, the woman is a doctor too in Germany, of a calculated, profound personal betrayal 6 years ago, but she says they had the baby through sexual intercourse. The Illinois Appeals Court said Wednesday that Phillips can press a claim for emotional distress after alleging Irons had used his sperm to have a baby, but agreed that however the baby was conceived, Irons did not steal the sperm. Listen to this. She asserts that when plaintiff, that is the man, delivered his sperm, it was a gift. The decision said there was no agreement that the original deposit would be returned upon request. Jesus have mercy. Would I love for you that this a quote for you with all of it. But I read that part there. You know. She asserts that when plaintiff delivered his sperm, it was a gift, the decision said. This is the appeals court ruling, you know. There was no agreement that the original deposit would be returned upon request. What am I saying when the man like him sperm, him never did come to agreement saying must get it back. So he can't say she thief it. But the mix-up not done yet, you know. Listen. Phillips, a Chicago family doctor, alleges that he and Irons are the woman in Germany, never had intercourse during their 4-month tryst, although they had oral sex 3 times. His suit contends that Irons, that other woman, without his knowledge, kept some of his semen. The relationship ended, the suit said, when Phillips learned Irons had lied to him about being recently divorced and was still married to another doctor. These are 2 doctors, you know. These are 2 doctors. We are backside, you know. Irons, however, says Phillips, this other woman said Phillips, knew she was still married during their affair and also knew she was pregnant with his child. He was very supportive and very happy about it, she said. He said, you need to hurry up and get your divorce. He promised to marry her and asked her to quit her job, she said. But several days before her last day at work, Phillips informed her that he couldn't go through with it. Nearly 2 years after their affair, Irons filed a paternity suit, and Phillips was ordered to pay US $800 a month in child support. Phillips then sued Irons, claiming her actions caused him nausea and headaches and robbed him of sleep and his appetite. He's haunted by feelings of being trapped in a nightmare court paper state. What are we to learn from this? What you don't understand, Jeremy? No, we ask. What you don't understand? What she suing for? She's suing for child support. No, what him a say no. No, what happening no? Them never actually do the things, them never actually have sex, But they had, she swipe him. Now, being a doctor, when she swipe him, we can't go into details because you understand. But she knew how to preserve what substance and then use it later in order to obtain a pregnancy. So he must say, no, but me never have sex with you. So I couldn't get you pregnant. But she has said, no, the minute you release your substance, it don't care where you release it. It's no longer yours. And you did not have an agreement that I can't use it, so I want to use it. Or the lawsuit valid? The lawsuit is valid because it's feme sperm, same way. No, Jermaine. If you do a DNA test, he is the father. Any of them go marry. Any of them go marry. And them do a DNA test. Mary would say, why name? He would say, Dr. Richard O. Phillips, you are the father. You see how this is sitting here now? We can't go into details about certain things, But to all of who do certain other things and say, you not do that because you don't want to breed nobody, you better mind when you leave. What is the world coming to? What is the... We can't go into detail. Why we want... No, something I'm going to get a night show. We have got to do a night show on the internet because you see how something like this, I want to talk up the things, I want to just rinse out the things, What you done was a Cardinal Green and Upton and done and let's say we can't chuck. No, man, because something like this stuff, this is something perfect for you. Just rinse out the things and I keep it real, Papa Jesus. You can't imagine a female him and say, yo, go have intercourse with her, but we go and juggle her. Ray and Ray, Because I don't want she go breed for me. But that woman have to calculate thing, man. Figure so. Because say that substance that can't stay exposed too long, So she have to, move quick and, and then, artificially inseminate and, what a woman is easy. No. What you say, Chris Cass? You don't agree with that? No. It is. No, what is sex? Sexual intercourse is having sex with somebody else, A lot of people don't know that,
Yeah,
but oral sex is sex.
It is sex, but not sexual intercourse.
What you mean? What you mean not intercourse?
It's not intercourse. Intercourse have to do with the genital penetration.
No. Intercourse have to do with entering somewhere and reaching a state of pleasure.
Yeah.
Now,
Well,
regardless of what the cavity is.
Well, given if we look at what inter means, we probably could.
The master what hard for understand when into the mouth.
Yeah, but
what?
Just
No, what this demonstrates is that even the terminologies and things, we're living in a whole different time right now. You know what I say, Jeremy? We live in a whole different time in terms of what is possible and what you need to be careful of and how devious some people can be and all of that. Because when I read this right here, I say, but that is impossible. Because as far as I know, once that substance is exposed, then everything dead. That's on a cycle, Jeremy. Mm-hmm. Eh? No. That me the thing. As somebody me talk to. Me talk to and say, no, man.
Couple hours, well.
No, I mean outside.
Yeah.
Outside. No, outside. Mm-hmm. It's still.
Yeah, man.
Them still alive.
Yes, man.
Them still a dance and track.
Yeah,
Papa Jesus. Yo, we're going to, but just before we're going to, I just want to know, When you don't even make a drop anywhere on the ground, and clean it up quicker or something, because you just never know. You just never know.
Come in
you
with
just
the map.
never know. Come in with your map. Walk with your side out, you have your map right beside you. Oh, what? Yo, that
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
It's now time for us to read some emails. Big and serious, man. I lie that. I can't even believe it. I know it to mash up my meds, man. I lie. I know it to mash up my meds. Yeah. And thing. No, yo, big and serious, you know. There's all that bungs up there. I don't want nobody help me take off nothing, you know. Nobody help me take off nothing. Take it off myself. Yeah. I don't want nobody dash or nothing for me. Yeah. I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody dash or nothing for me. Take it out myself and dash it to myself. You understand? Yo, times different, yo. You hear somebody, right? So, Raga, what do you? Why you think the woman them have up to 72 hours to take the morning after pill? Yeah, they can last for a while. No, you know, I just thought that once they were exposed to the elements that they would you know, that them would just dead quick, you know. And I'm be led to know now that you know, some of them would turn up drunk. You understand? I saw that born there and say, yo, I will it. I will eat a stola.
You never see the comedian for YouTube where I said more time they go outside. And just a big said, just let me exchange some word with the egg now. Just 2 minutes. Just let me see.
Yo, all of them time you're just afraid of certain things. You're afraid of certain things. Like you're just afraid of all the words splash. No. That mad, yo. Yo, I take it back, mix up with the pan, take it back, mix up, drama, involve people who get things and take it back. And I want to mix up us around each situation that you may know about. I want to call in and tell you. I can read some email right now. First email. Raga, big up the girl who take back the Dutch pot from her ex-man. Yeah, because we are here about the man and we take back and we know so the woman them take back too. So I'm going to start again. Raga, big up the girl who take back the Dutch pot from her ex-man. Raga, the woman buy her man a Dutchie when she live with him. The man give her a bun and she decide to move out. She pack up everything she did buy, give the man, including him wet rag and him wet underpants. Oh, God. No, she careless. Then she start pack up the kitchen things. It turn out the man did just curry some chicken. And the woman take back the hot Dutch pot full of the curry chicken off of the stove. Put it in her truck and left him. The man can't stop talk about how she left him with a pot of sauce dumpling and no curry chicken. Oh, God. Yeah, she said cool. My girl a cut and the man have a Dutch pot where she buy him. And him there cook some curry chicken tonight and she said she want her pot and take out the... So why she never leave the chicken? She should have leave the chicken. Anyway. Next email. You're Raga, big up my boss. Him a one of them a bun you out and me catch him again and listen to you. And Raga, let me tell you how me know say him a listen. Me hear him say him a go buy one of the eye twists from KFC. So I ask him where me hear that from and him say, Pan Raga. So I say, Poopa Jesus. Okay. Well, big up KFC because I don't know so them launched them eye twists yesterday. And big up the boss who abon me up but him a listen. And him a listen to the show yesterday and run go buy a eye twist. All right, Mr. Man, do your thing. Big up all of the people them who hide and listen and want yourself. Big up all of the wicked people and whenever I'm not done, me wanna just say, I don't listen to Ragashanti, but I happen to be just turning my dial and I came upon this most atrocious statement that he made. On all wicked and I want to cut Jesus slippers. Next email, Raga, more big up the girl will take out the iPhone on contract for a man. We promise a relationship and say them a go Jamaica. She book holiday from work and him go Jamaica leave her and not pay none of the £50 phone bill. And when him come back, she sort him out and swipe him and take the phone and hide it. After all that, she find out say him married The wife call her and do her up. And she tell the wife how she swipe him. And how him swipe her. After all that, she send the phone to her first love in Jamaica. And as soon as him get it, him woman call her and do her up. But she send the phone to her first love in Jamaica. And as soon as him get it, fame woman call her and do her up. Okay. I be a drama with the iPhone. I wonder if I Karen Wildman. Because I know she say iPhone. You know. I wonder if any mix up involved with she. You know. I wonder if she had a woman worker. But don't know anyway. Next email, Raga, your show sell off on a serious note. I live in Antigua, originally from Portland, Jamaica. But I have to hustle home from work every day to catch the last 2 hours of this mad show. Big up, Raga. This is Junior from Antigua. Keep the fire burning. Well, Junior, there's another person over there in Antigua. She named Tantan. See if you can find her there. And if you like her, Junior, may I tell her from now, you're going to have to buy our jeans will cost the minimum US $270 each. Just letting you know, Junior. Just letting you know. Next email, Raga, may have a friend who go Universal Church Universal Church to go and farm work. When him get through, him go find and come back. And him did supposed to give them 30% of all of the money we make. As him sacrifice. And him not do it. I know him a mad boy in a Clarendon. You know, them I say the Universal Church, mad him because him not bring back the 30%. I still think it is a stretch, people. When I say the Universal Church, mad people and bring down demon from people and all them something there. I've heard enough evidence to believe that the money thing is true. This emphasis on money and whatever. I believe that there's some degree of truth to that part, but on a stretch a thing, man. Yeah. Next email. Raga, I did have a friend that me used to buy clothes and things from. Mr. Raga, when she go in at the Universal Church, she have to give them everything and sacrifice her prettiest daughter. Oh, God, man. Understand, man? The daughter all did a mad and I walk naked on road and thing. She used to drive a car and she have to sell it because every time she tried to drive it, the car just a reverse backwards. People, this is all silly. Raga, the woman have to come out of the church and a roadside. She didn't know I sell bag juice. Raga, a real thing. She live beside me. No, man. No, honestly. You see, this is another instance I think that, the thing is just a tad bit ludicrous with respect to what the backside of the Universal Church can make a car drive backward when you go forward. What them know about them? So, your car just needs servicing. You see it? You just go backward in your life, you don't go forward. That have nothing to do with the Universal Church. I get it, I believe said there's some truth to the money part. Yo, next email, yo, Raga, big up yourself. I'm on the fan wall and I'm on mixupyard.com. I'm writing from Wall Street, New York. And I have to tell you, every day my co-workers look at me because I constantly say, loud, and don't even know it. Big up yourself. And my boo, Chris. You know who this? Yeah? Yeah, Wall Street. Wall Street's a financial capital. You know. And that's the only thing you get. So what are the whole of the mix-up? All you get is that she work at Wall Street. Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Can somebody say Lower East Side?
No,
your place at Upper East Side.
We just had a recession, right?
Yeah. Your place at Upper East Side. With Blair and them and Gossip Girl. And,
I remember your brother.
Who? Dan? What, Dan is a character from Upper East Side?
Yeah.
No, but she love one. Where your man named Pan
Who, Chuck?
Chuck. A Chuck she love.
Bass.
Chuck is evil. Okay, sometime look. Anyway. Next email, Raga, from moms. It used to be warm ashes and green tobacco leaf in the white cloth wrap around your cheek. Right, well, thanks for reminding us about the green tobacco leaf, but we were reminded about the warm ashes from moms. Yo, what is mums? What is mums? Yeah, we know your face swell and it and whatever, but how we come for catch mums and puss and dog? And, what? Well, anyway, somebody will tell. Next email, yo, Raga, you can call me a Calgary linky. Me just want to big up the man in a Calgary where sleep in woman house. When him wake up and take a shower, him never have him deodorant for him arm. So him ask him woman to give him some sweet powder for put under him arm. Raga the woman give him some Vagisil powder. Raga me almost dead. Him say if it can sweet up the woman thing, it will make him arm smell good. Me know it true, cause I meet at me too. Make Michelle know say me want a date when me come to Jamaica. And Michelle, somebody from Calgary in Canada, says to inform me that he wants a date when he comes to Jamaica.
Powder.
What?
Not with the Vagisil powder.
All right, boss. She said you can't juggle with the Vagisil powder. Can't juggle with the Vagisil powder. Hey, it's all relative, you know. Better Vagisil than Penisil. Next email, Raga. Hear this, my king. Michelle right when she said people get chicken pox with sore in their mouth. I have lived it and seen it. And trust me, you don't see chicken pox until you get it in your mouth. As a pink eye, no, Michelle, they say to use your own pee-pee to wash your eyes. What? No, yeah. I don't know what they're saying.
No,
because of that, you did say. Say that
well,
some
maybe
people,
I never said yours, but I did say the urine thing, though.
Right. That some Jamaicans believe that your urine and whatever. And like you had pink eye and they used it on you. We know that.
No, they didn't.
You don't have to hide it.
No, they didn't.
You know? Next email, Raga. Tambourine, big up the hot girl who drive Benz, but I borrow salt and black pepper from our neighbor. I want to some girl, man. Quick question, though. Oh, you give back salt and black pepper where you borrow. She's a well-known farmer wife of a used to be famous entertainer. Yeah, that really narrows it down. Next email, Raga. You remember scabies? You remember that?
Scabies?
Yeah, scabies, man. As in scab.
Oh, scab. You're going to talk in my language, man.
No, but it's scabies.
Yeah.
No, but you say scab.
Yeah, proper way.
You see it. You remember that, man. Remember that. Next email, Raga, I get paid, and this is in reference because we were talking, for some of you who don't know, probably didn't listen to the show on Monday. Wait, come on.
No, it's people talking outside. It's not my phone.
Me hear someone go, Pum.
It's them outside.
Tell them if you hold it down.
Open.
Yeah, tell them.
Lock it.
All right. Okay. Next email, Raga, I get paid every month, and right now I am broke. I'm borrowing money to put gas in the car until month end. But hearing you Monday, I completely forgot that I had money issues. Raga, I laughed till I literally sweat. Well, glad to know that you appreciate the primary purpose of this show, which is to make people laugh and be entertained. Next email. Hi, Raga. Last year I went to Jamaica. As I went to customs to collect packages I waited through the procedure. The radio was on and the customs officer just could not stop laughing. So we listened in to my hubby and I. Well, we became fans instantly. Though I left Jamaica 40 years ago, I still enjoy real patois. I am home with flu this week, so I get it all. Please get your show on rebroadcast so I can listen at nights, okay? You are indeed a treasure. Please keep folks laughing. It's good medicine for the soul. Thanks a bunch. You're most welcome for those kind words, and glad to know you appreciate the product we deliver on this very sophisticated and classy program. Next email, Raga, big up my 90-year-old granny who get plasma TV for her birthday. And of course, be a bad word, say what kind of TV this, and then for bring it back. Because she don't know what that. Granny not deal with nothing flat round here. Granny said TV for fat. You understand? Granny I look on the TV and probably say, yo, what kind of anorexic TV this? You understand? That TV I want some food, yo. Next thing, man. Hey, Raga, big up to the man and Mobby with 3 wives, and all of them know about each other. But him have money, so them nah left him. But you know, say them about him, though. Oh. Also, big up to me, just said that. Also, big up to my friend, where they up here in the USA, and I go on like she rich. And now her mother and sister get visa and want to visit. She a panic, and have to run, go rent a center, go rent furniture. We never read this already. Yeah, man. Some of them are hype, you know. When people get visa and I come up and go see where they live, you know. You get sticky upon them. Next email, I got big up my father-in-law will love me off. Send some whole heap of money, come give me. And now give him son, none. Tell me now, Raga. Him a 50 yard and a pure young girl him want. But me just take the money. Him say when him send me, it's between me and him. Me just glad me now give him the wrong impression. What a dirty man, wicked him, man. I look him son wife, you know. I send crazy money, go give him son wife, you know. And now I give him son the money. But I send the money and I say, yo, that's just between me and him, you know. Dirty pooper! Anyway, next email. Raga, big up to the 55-year-old woman who I get a swipe from a young boy and her blood pressure raised. The swipe send her Ghana heaven, Raga. Pooper Jesus. Well, Tambourine for that one. You know, yeah, what? It's a good swipe. She get undead, you know. A dead she dead, you know. She a dead she dead. She get a proper swipe from a young boy and dead. You understand? That is what you call a killer tongue. If I laugh, I fear today. Sure. Anyway. Next email. Raga, big up the nail technician from Seaview Gardens. We're addicted to bleach. The girl do my pedicure and a pure bleach in her water. And I tell me, say she bathe with bleach. Every day she smell raw like when mongrel wet. Raga, please, may I beg you, tell her to stop because she listen to your show daily. And I know she will take your advice. My girl, don't OD on the bleach. My girl, nail tech from Seaview Garden. Don't OD on the bleach. Right? Because we can't tell you as a man. Say, when you go, you know, sometimes bleach, if you're going to a woman outside, you're going to bathroom and smell like a bleach, you know she clean. You understand? Because, you know, one way you can know when some woman, you know, whatever, when you smell bleach around them, you never know that, Chris. But clean with other things. I'm just saying, though, that experience has told me that. Yeah, I've met quite a few women when that time, and them say bleach, bathroom bleach, them just, and the clean woman, them never like them there, but they can't do OD on the bleach, because bleach, I want bleach high. You know, say bleach high. Bleach strong, you know, bleach strong. So too much bleach, no good. Whatever. Next email, Raga. One time I meet one guy, right as him come from yard. Not even there for about 2 months. Me and him a link, I'm house, Raga. So meanwhile, we did it and start touch up and thing and start do it. So I did him birthday, Raga. And him want me to swipe him, so I do it. While me I do it, the man I beg me to swipe. I forgot to fix it. While me I do it, the man I beg me for swipe. Wrong there, so. So, me just put on my clothes and run like me hear news. Well, you have some interesting people out there, you know, and who have chosen to expand their repertoire of pleasurable activities and so forth and things like that. Yeah?
That Secure out on Facebook yesterday.
What that?
She said, we got the one them who still asleep on plastic.
We got the woman them who still asleep on plastic. You all want to go on a roach take it. We got the woman them who mix them juice in a bad pan. That was the roach the boss. Cartel anyway they large up my father boom banks in the bounty killer. Moses Beaneman Davis. But here, you know, everything is everything in that place and sickness. And the angel large up yourself, you're being a man wife. And we are large up. And being a man your husband, we are large up.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the thing, them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in another Zen bouncing low. It's all about Mixup and Blenda now. Take you back, Mixup, take you back, Mixup. Yo, now feel the way, Steve. I want to want everybody running on the Universal Church thing today, yeah? So, we don't want to call upon the Universal Church thing today, because we beat it out and batter it out yesterday, see? And we don't want to go down. Take you back, Mixup with it on any other Mixup. So we don't want nobody vex. So if you were just itching to start rinse and reel out like a bobbin on the Universal Church drama from yesterday, let go that. You understand? Right? Take you back, Mixup or any other sample, sell down, Mixup, turn up, Mixup. And that's where pre-write you know. You see, daddy. Twin up twins anyway there. Maximum respect. Bong bang. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Raga.
Greetings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because hands in milk, sir.
Eh?
I'm in your hands in milk, sir.
Are you name Ancina Milk?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ancina Milk. What you say now?
You know, so they have 3 girlfriends, sir. And the 3 of them come from Carrington and a personal life.
Uh-huh.
Silently. But me, the man, sir, I don't love Beanie Man, and I always find problem with Beanie Man, sir.
You're a man with what?
I don't like Beanie Man, sir, the artist Beanie Man, sir. Because me got jealous to come and kill us, sir. Anytime I talk to them about Beanie Man, I always say me bad man or something. And that's why the 3 of them have to leave me.
And that's why the 3 of them have to do what?
Cutlass me, sir.
The 3 of them leave it because you always talk to them about Beanie Man and them know why you say nothing about Beanie Man.
When them see music video on the TV, so then always I go like them underestimate me. To me, I tell them to rate that the artist there.
Okay, so anytime Beanie Man come, anytime them see Beanie Man video and thing, you always tell them say you know rate Beanie Man as an artist.
I don't into show up because I come and tell the woman them in the animal before the video and I drive a vehicle and I tell the woman say me not rate that the artist and them always I try some little things and I try to jar me out and me and them always sketch up. The reason I jail to one of them is him something, you know, sir.
Well on. You got jail because you and one of your woman did argue about Beanie Man and you say you rate Beanie Man as an artist and you end up going to jail. Oh, you end up going to jail.
I cover me usually him for like kitchens and go for police over your shops and them charge me.
Jesus have mercy, you use the pot cover lick down the woman because you not argue about Beanie Man.
Yes, sir.
What happened? What happened? The video come on and then what happened?
When I sit down on the bed, sir, Beanie Man, I talk about Hardy, about him drive Hardy. So I say my friend, change it to TVJ.
Okay, yeah, what TV man Beanie Man did they talk about to him drive, him Hardy and whatever. So you tell us to change it to TVJ. And then what happened?
I said the look eruption start, sir.
And then they said the eruption start because she said she not change it off for Beanie Man.
Yes, sir.
And then the eruption starts, so you end up a liquor down with the pot cover.
He said something to me, sir. I style me certain reasons, sir. I tell you, sir, I'm short at 10 pints, sir. That's why I don't like no Clarendon woman, no, sir.
That's a 3 Clarendon woman you have and you left the 3 of them, don't it?
Yes, sir. So I see an incident, sir.
And the 3 Clarendon woman them love Beanie Man, don't it?
Yes, sir. I claim Beanie Man, but Beanie Man is my artist, sir. Bounty Killer is my artist, sir.
Bounty Killer your artist. Beanie Man I know your artist. So what me I say?
One night me sit down, sir, already when he lick L.A. Lewis, my girlfriend in my jump up. Yes, he should have licked down L.A. Lewis. Me never want him to lick L.A. Lewis, because L.A. Lewis should have licked him.
Because L.A. Lewis what?
When he licked L.A. Lewis, L.A. Lewis looking vehicle, sir.
Yeah.
My woman in the jump up and say, why you lick me in the vehicle, sir? And I could have been him and me around.
Yeah. And what you say?
It's a bit of nice kind of the police investigator, sir.
So you never want to be the man. First of all, I just need to let it be known that at no point was it proven that Beanie Man actually hit L.A. Lewis, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, then. But if Beanie Man didn't lick L.A. Lewis, you are say, you know what, you never want Beanie Man to lick down L.A. Lewis.
I was saying 2 bossy, sir.
Who 2 bossy?
You want Beanie, sir.
Yes, sir, Beanie Man 2 bossy.
Yes, sir, man, you know, whatever run for him, music then, sir. In video, if you come on TV, sir, can't enough one life, then they are mash up, sir.
Beanie Man video enough come on TV because him a mash up enough people life.
Yes, brother, I don't really know that, sir.
No, but me not understand that. That sound like you fight against Beanie Man. That sound like you fight against the artist. Eh?
No, fight against no man, sir.
So you just hate Beanie, so why you hate Beanie, so?
Man, I no problem you chaos them and the cause of my life no Raga too, you don't know, sir.
Enough problem Beanie Man causing in your life. All right.
I show up too much. I'll go on to them steady on the video and them a show them and they are cat and
I'm not a joke. I see a serious thing. No laughing, no laugh. Where me answer? Yeah.
The man they not come man like a bounty killer on them man. They bounty on the artist. The man they jump up too much and make too much Nigeria.
What you say? No, but it sound to me like yes, Beanie Man when him in the video and I jump up and I make a wally pan nice. It's like him I get the woman them excited, don't it?
My woman now pay me no attention.
Tambourine! Yo, somebody call Beanie quick and tell him listen ya quick. Somebody call Razor, bend up call Razor quick and tell him listen. The angel, you forget the mix up, you're the one you're hot. What you say now? What you say a while ago? Yeah.
Sometimes you don't have your own sister, like you buy your own chicken. And then I me chicken and everything, I look at every place, sir.
Yeah.
And woman in the dance, woman video before you pay your man. You know that?
So when Beanie Man, anytime Beanie Man come up on the video them on TV, or people mention Beanie Man, your woman them now pay you the attention where you deserve, don't it?
I pay a problem in every place, brother. Pay a problem in every place, sir.
And this is a serious matter because of three Clarendon woman you lose. Three woman you lose now because of Beanie Man.
Yes, sir, me no buy things CD them, sir.
You don't buy nothing from, what about you don't buy nothing? You don't buy nothing from Beanie.
So me just buy the straight cartel them and something, sir. Me not buy straight.
No, hold on. But the woman them love cartel too, so me not understand what you say.
Cartel now, this one, sir. Cartel a vibes, man, sir.
Cartel a what?
A vibes, man. You not go like a Beanie Man, sir.
What you don't like about? What the main thing you don't like about Beanie Man?
If you see him song, sir, he must show Adam, if you're a human, tell the person, he must human and show woman other attention, rather.
No, but what me I say, bossy? I can make a suggestion to you.
Yes, sir.
If the woman them love Beanie Man, you know, just allow them to love Beanie Man, and I like said them are going to do anything with Beanie Man, them still there with you.
But if it's a couple of cases, then see my road, so they begin to talk and something, so that no love in a rather.
Oh, the way of them are gone. Them gone like say any of them see Beanie Man a road, them will dash out the city give Beanie, don't they go sort him out, don't.
All right, sir. Five man have talk about him being changed, like I say, he want to change, sir.
What you say, cause him a what?
He must say, a boss where they talk about him change class, no, she type of deal, like I say, he want to change, sir.
Like how him want change? What is so like everything Beanie say bad at you, man?
Well, my little woman, I love Beanie Man fans too much, sir. Me not go back to Clarendon and go look at my woman, sir.
Don't go back to Clarendon and go look no more woman because the Clarendon woman and love Beanie Man too much. I don't wrong you. And you cannot manage that. You understand? But when me I say...
Me can't manage that, sir.
No, but when me I say party, all over Jamaica, the woman them love Beanie doing, you know, Kingston, Westmoreland, St. Thomas, St. Mary, Portland, Montego Bay, overseas. Anyway, you got woman them love Beanie Man. So how you going to manage?
Me go to town and I go kind and me go move away and go. Me go to town and anti them up there, sir.
Tambourine! Yo,
yes, sir.
what me I say still, me think say, you know, feel say probably if you just allow the woman them for love Beanie Man, your life would have alright. And you know, I don't like say the woman them are gonna run, go dash it out game, so you know, them just like him music, man, cause him an artist, you know. I remember say him and the girls them sugar, you know, and him them on the girls them highway and be a city, you know, remember man?
But still it's not that me not get no attention in music up here, so I just Beanie here.
Okay, so basically, you know what now, you need to find a woman who, when Beanie Man music a play, she still a give you ratings and attention, here?
Yes, sir.
The woman who you're there with right now, you're there with that woman now?
I want to go and come, but I watch him tell another, what do you see, I think you love Vice Cartel, he said, kind of. And he said, you love Bunty, he said, no. And I think you love Beanie, I said, nothing yet, come up. This evening in Ghana, I sent Elizabeth, I come back up this evening, so when time come, you go find out where I go, I know rather. Okay, so you're there with that girl from St. Elizabeth, you know? Right, I know, sir, right.
And that girl, you ask her, she like Vibes Cartel, and what she say?
She said yes, but she don't love Bunty.
But she don't like Bunty. And when you ask her, she like Beanie, what she say?
You know, so I'm just pass the argument, and go eat two ripe banana.
Okay, you pass the argument and go eat two ripe banana. But basically, say you watch her, you pray her right, you know, because you don't even know what she up to. You not take no more check with no woman because she could have been a next woman who would have dashed it out and give Beanie Man, don't it?
Yeah,
yes, man. Yes, man. That boy Beanie Man. That boy Beanie Man. The way man. Yeah.
Come 10 o'clock tonight. I want Beanie Man fight the Madeleine for me. 10 o'clock tonight.
If she come from St. Elizabeth 10 o'clock tonight and you find out that she's a Beanie Man fan, she going to have to leave your yard and go right back to St. Elizabeth tonight. Back up fast and go on Beanie Man highway. I go somewhere. Listen to me, man. I mean, I rang you. What you say is what you say. If she come 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, and if she ever even go say any of you ever hear any of them words out her mouth, run her out of your... Any of you hear she say, Zaga. Not even what?
Not even bean, sir.
Not even what?
Bean, sir. Bean.
Oh, not even bean you know eat because you know nothing with bean eat. They're too close to...
No, bean business.
No, man, but you sound like you hate Beanie Man.
Man, you know, like in some them I confiscate the woman in mind and I've your yard, yeah, sir. You find out that, brother.
No, when you say him song them I do with the woman mind them. What?
I confiscate you out of your yard and take your woman mind and you want to think big and you have.
Beanie Man sang them a confiscate the woman. Hold on, you just said something very important, you know. One, you say Beanie Man sang them a confiscate the woman in mind. But you say Beanie Man sang and make the woman them a think bigger than what you have.
Yes, sir.
I want it, man. Tambourine.
Yes, brother.
I too when Beanie Man I sing this song where him say, the other girl me buck a girl in a menu Suzuki to get back to the... Eh?
You're not even know if you sing that, brother.
Him not even know if he sing about, no?
You know if you sing that, brother. Right, I know what I'm say, I'm not buying no Suzuki, and that again, sir.
Suzuki and car and something there. Them bounty that sing about car to Elephant Man that sing about the Tundra and all them stuff. Okay, but me think say yeah, give Beanie Man too much credit and thing, and Beanie Man just a work as an artist and the girl them love him off and sitting. Beanie Man not really man feel love certain thing.
Yes, brother.
So yes, Beanie Man for stop go so hard and I make the girl them a straight, don't?
Yes, sir. I like him, you know, so I can't imagine him as a about Hardy and him sitting there. You know, so I milk, you want him did it. Yes, in keep, right, all white party, a kind of asking him, asking home in no white shirt.
What, other one they go? What, in keep?
I'm back the bash out a kind and a all white something.
Yeah.
And the woman say, come on, no white shirt, come on, no white shirt.
Oh, you not have no white shirt?
Yes, I'm being man, all right.
Beanie Man keep all white party and thing I hear woman ask you, oh, you not have no white shirt. And what do you? I'm going to pop up in this place. Anyway, Papa. Anyway, but what you say to Elizabeth woman too, you know, because, you know, say, well, listen, between me and you, you know. Listen me carefully, see. Me up pinch you and make you know.
Yeah.
Beanie Man, they are St. Elizabeth all the while. A real thing, no man, a real thing, me I tell you, man, in love, him have one link near Razor, and Razor come from Westmoreland. So anytime Beanie Man go link Razor over Westmoreland, him always stop at St. Elizabeth. So watch a girl, watch the girl. Eh?
I told man,
me no hear say.
I told man,
if I told what?
Mr. Beanie, I told man when they are St. Theodore.
Why am I do St. Theodore? No, but Beanie Man know the whole island, you know, and him have him place them where him hang out. But me know say him there St. Elizabeth all the while. So hear me. You have to be careful with a new cat here, hear?
Yeah, what you say, brother?
Yo, talk, sir, hear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man, talk, sir. You have to be careful with a new cat here, hear?
Yes, uncle, brother. Big
and serious, because Beanie Man there St. Elizabeth all the while. And next thing you know, say she over there, make Beanie Man a write up on our chalkboard and all them something, you know.
Yeah, man, he do it, man.
He will do it. Me know he will do it, man. He will do it.
Man.
All right. You take care here.
Watch it, brother.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, watch it, uncle, brother.
Yeah, man, you have to watch it, man. Watch Beanie Man, in dangerous with the woman, man. All right, you take care here.
I want to tell them good on the train,
eh?
I want to tell them good on the two.
And mostly Thursday the girl go down too.
Yes, sir.
Don't I send to you? All right then. You listen to me now. Me want you go.
I can't go far yesterday, I went up to.
No man, don't worry yourself. Me gonna make you get route your number, see, and we will call you back and check, and then and we see what is what with that woman there from St. Elizabeth. If being a man has set her properly in I'm hardy, we need to find that out. All right. No man, don't worry yourself. Give route the number. Route the number. All right. Blessings and respect here.
Yes, Uncle.
All right, man. Bless up. Oh, God, Jesus. Yeah, Moses, me don't say you listen to call a while ago. You must have did that laugh at that pop up. John was start. Now that call is still up, that call is shell down. No lie. No lie. Hey, we'll see what I go on there. So, who I sent me this? Please credit me 100 Jamaica. I will find number this. Whoever this is, you're not getting a cent. I'm not join them thing there. I want them get me number, man. And you know my man. People I say, yeah. Oh, please credit me. Anyway. Don't laugh, man. Get on my damn nerves with them fools. All right. Here we go. Give me our next call. Take you back, Mixup or any other sample Mixup. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga, I want to give a shout out to a Bigfoot thief and leprechaun girl from Boston, Portmore. Imagine my friend just start a liquor bar in a Raga. Try new thing. I'm going to employ this girl from Monday. The girl do not more than Friday thief him HQ, 2 buckle of canai, 1 pack of Mataran, 1 pack of Cravenier. The whole of silver them left $40 and $6,000. And when I call again and tell my friend thing, she got to come take it.
Why the mama watch it not here tell me so? What she take? She take a HQ and what again?
2 buckle of canai.
2 buckle of canai.
Most of the silver them left $40.
Most of the silver left $40.
$6,000.
$6,000.
They drink out the man thing and boom.
Drink out him thing and oh Lord God, she drink the boom too, yeah.
She should have boom up, yeah.
Yeah,
And take a box of cigarette, Cravenier and 1 Mataran.
A box of Cravenier and a box of Mataran. So she thief all them thing and cut.
Friday.
Friday gone, just Friday she did that and gone.
Yeah.
And I game and is that trying you, don't it?
I thought him just the bar just open for 1 week, Raga.
And she rob all them things and cut and gone.
That's why people find people body in the Raga.
And you call her, what she say you have to do? You have to come take it. So a bad girl, she defend it then.
Raga, I want to book her. Because you know, I take it, I make sure to the HQ and the canine now, I kind of better. I can't make feed for her 2 pit of them.
So, she had 2 pit there?
Yeah.
And I want kind of thief liquor?
Yes, Raga, come on, know what she go do with them.
And what the cloth you tell me, sir, man? Now what kind of carelessness there? Imagine.
Raga, her foot big and tough and she's short, you know. Any leprechaun and she don't have no name charm and she's a regular cigarette lighter. Oh,
she's a regular cigarette lighter, not a code down, not a code. Okay, and people open to understand that she light cigarette all over.
And she puff it too.
And she puff cigarette and whatever, this and that. And so wait now, so where you say your brethren bar then? Over where? You didn't tell me. How you say?
Oh my, they're Kingston Spring.
They're Kingston Spring and whatever. No, true, you didn't say somewhere like you say one area or something.
No man, she come from Boston, Portmore.
Oh, she come one place in a Portmore named Boston?
Yeah.
Phase 3, Brayton, somebody just said Boston or Portmore.
Yeah, more the people in the community say, well, go 2-foot rat over there. One
a 2-foot rat, one tough leprechaun.
Yeah.
Thief up the man, things and whatever, from Boston, Portmore.
Yeah, she's friend from Blue Liquor.
Oh, Waterford area. Where you say, auntie thief the blue liquor and thing. No, but if she really do that, man, that are the heights of carelessness, man. You can't walk around, pay somebody give work and then you thief the thing. Then if we call her and we talk to her now and ask her about it, what should I say like?
Raga boy, call her. Hold her, go for your number. Hold her, Raga.
All right, go for your number then. Go for your number quick then. Go for your number quick. Oh, Lord God, man. Why leprechaun go thief the thing then, man? Why leprechaun go thief the HQ and the 2 buckle of canai and the 2 pack of cigarette and the whole of the silver them left $40 and the $6,000 and the different things. Whatever. She got for your number quicker. We'll see if we can crack to her. But her brother there, Emily, brother no, ain't nothing with being a man, you know.
Oh, Jesus, man.
Ain't nothing with Moses.
The man grieving.
Man, say every woman him there with rotted. And them say being a man. And be... Him say being a man with the girl, them a stray. And we are the girl. Hello? Oh, hold on. Oh, you get the number, Ruth? Oh, hold on. Yeah.
The voicemail.
Hold on, try one more time. Call her one more time. Because she probably are listening to the show. You know. That's a difficult thing with a show here in Germany. Everybody listening. And worse like how she must be shot and like leprechaun. Everybody must know how. Hi. Marciana must.
The voicemail.
Hello? Bring him back. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
She not answer nobody. She not answer her phone to go straight to voicemail. Yeah?
What's the one next bar a thief?
If I laugh, I come in here today. Anyway, blessings here.
Yes, Raga. And big up the youth. You don't know so success here.
No say a word, man. Tell him for persevere, you know. Tell him say some obstacles coming on your way and thing like that. But you just have to persevere and overcome and go through and just stay, you know, keep him eyes on the prize, you know.
Yes, Raga.
All right, blessing.
All right.
Yes, Boston is in what? Somebody say Boston is in Waterford. That's where Cartel used to live, not Britain. Right, yeah, we get that correction. Why wouldn't I use it? That's why I like my listener them, you know, right away, you know. Them send it on and let you know what's up. Okay. All right, to the phone line we go. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, Roach girlfriend is a call.
Roach girlfriend? Well, I Roach a call yesterday.
Yeah.
The first question I ask you, your mouth saucy like Roach, man, because Roach can't talk up the things, I mean, man.
If them get me out, of course, I can talk up the things, them, Raga.
So what you say, I know? Where you say now? Where you come? Where you share with it?
Yeah. All them things, what them a talk up, nothing like that, Raga.
Well, you did come home, come find the thing in the bar,
Yeah, me come find the thing, Raga.
All right, then when you find it, you tell me what happened now. What you do, what you say to him. Because when you see something like that, as a woman come home and see them female, particulars from another woman, of course you're going to vex. So what happened after that? Tell me.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
You're talking funny. No. So it's like, I'm walk out of the house. So I start running down now, I'm hold on for him kind of one. Listen, I have to say, you know, when a woman wants a man to listen.
Yeah.
I have to say, you know, so we get real aggressive.
Yeah, man, when they get bringle. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like, no, I start saying, you're not sleeping at this tonight, because may I have it out.
Yeah.
Because we're coming here tonight, and you know what, hear me say, may I have it out. It's like, I say, I'm going to chop you up if you don't want to hear my upper say, because I want to hear my upper say.
Right.
You must have a cutlass, right? Come take up the cutlass.
Well on. When you did that, tell him say you're going to chop him up, you never hold no cutlass yet?
No, ma'am, I never have the cutlass.
Okay, go on.
You go take up the cutlass, and take it off, go carry, go put it in the van, and say, him now come back in the house with me have the cutlass. Then take up the last to put in the vehicle, Raga.
Oh, as a safe measure, come now and come back in the night and you walk up to chop on him.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yeah,
all right.
I understand.
After him take up the cutlass, then what happen?
Him bring it in the vehicle, so I go back and attack. I go back and attack about it, Raga.
Yeah.
Them girls, them know me. Them don't know nothing about me, Raga, because I come from here. Move, come down here. Them girls can't look like me. You mean down at Almanton or Franklin town? Rallington town.
Rallington. So what me I say is, what Muma says is that you did come load it up, say him in there sort out girl where, you know.
It's an apartment, anything you taught them here. And on a load of things.
No, what me I say is, you did cuss him and say, I mean for a sort out girl who did, you know, monthly thing and whatever.
No, Raga, me I talk about it, but them listen. You see, whenever we talk nothing, them listen, them hear. So them set of people, they see them, love people business.
No, but may I ask you, did you say anything relating to that?
Raga, me I talk about the pad in the bag, I'm telling him to take it out.
Right.
And him say, nah, take it out.
No, but if you come home, if you come, I'm glad to say I keep it clean. But if you come home, at your yard where you live with your man, and you see that female product there, where what woman use in the garbage and thing, did you wonder if something did actually go on between him and the woman?
Raga, him don't say to me, that.
No, but did you ask him? Did you ask him?
Yeah, I asked him that, and he said, no, it's my mad. He said, one Satan, you're mad, but could I do something like that? How can I fool question me?
Okay, well, Andy, we're going to stay up on the line. We're going to take a break and come back to you. Them just have to do something real quick here. We're coming right back to you. We're soon forward, yeah.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the thing, them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting and rate it. I remember say, Mama did call and give a mix up about a drama involving Roach, you know. And no, Roach in an entertainment thing long time. Original Southie and sitting. Ends out at Arlington town right and Mama did give a mix up about a little drama where Mama said it go down, you know, between Roach and him lady, you know. And then Roach call and defend it yesterday and did I rinse out some sample talk and thing around the road right here, you know, crazy sitting and thing. But Roach get heated in the thing because we didn't make Mama come talk back and so forth. And Roach get heated and Roach start cuss up some bad word and the technical people them say, yo, we can't continue that. So Roach, we don't say it already, no disrespect and thing, but you don't know a radio thing and do so. That's how the thing said. So now we talk to Roach lady now because she a calling now and basically inform we say, oh, Mama did give with the mix up and never saw it really did go. You understand? So we have all a reasoning on it right now because Mama did, you know, basically say, this lady a Roach woman did I say, Roach bring woman in at the place and do the things them to the woman when the woman was under a certain monthly condition. You understand? And she basically I say, and I really saw the thing did I go. Right, princess?
All right,
same
way go.
Yeah, so I really are going. Yeah, you and Roach and them people not get along, and Mama and them not get along down there.
No, man, it's like, you know, man, fear.
Yeah.
Some little thing go on. You know, I'm going under a full roof, them shouldn't go under Raga.
Yeah.
Don't get mixed up and in the, you know?
Yeah.
Same thing and cut because it's like, she want me move out to she moving. That I want to see her friend, Mama friend.
Oh. Okay, so when a Mama friend, when
some bad mind thing, them not like for me car. So me look good and them thing, them not like for them thing there. Raga,
yeah.
What you see this? Who you call Mama Raga? What she just describe? She just invert lady star because you could have never describe a Mama. Look on lady star. Lady star a real Mama.
Yeah.
She look like great grandmother, Raga, may I tell you. What's there? She like to sleep in a fire bed, Raga.
So Mama look like she sleep in a fire bed?
Cold bed, Raga. As early as the morning is, I put them ever dirty, Raga.
Mama foot dirty all the way?
She have bleached from about 2000 and now she can't come.
What you say? Mama bleach from 2000 whether the bleach now reach?
And now she can't come. She like them run. You know when you grate something from grater and you grate out good, as such she look.
Oh, God.
Somebody full of cut. She black. She look like bun up dog, Raga. May I tell you the thing.
Mama look like bun up dog.
Swear.
No, hold on. Me not hide that Mama me links to. Me never see Mama yet though. Me not lie. Me never see Mama yet, but
me say me can't pay $8,000, Raga. Make she come up there. No, me can't send that come there. No, make she come up there and she pass as a Mama to get the money, Raga. If you pass her as a Mama, she get the money.
So what you say she not have Mama ratings at all?
Raga, she like she drop in a mailbox.
Hold on. And people don't know the term Mama in a ghetto is not literally mother. It just means a person have certain ratings, you know, that say, we say Mama ta, Mama sa, and so forth and things like the person have certain ratings and the person look certain way and carry herself certain way. So yes, it's almost like the equivalent of diva. But in a ghetto, we say Mama, she a real Mama for the crew and Mama for... So we say Mama foot always dirty.
Ever dirty and poppy.
So Mama not bathe and keep herself clean and them something there?
You want to see her? I tell her how she get to come from the building, Raga. She and her man in a team, and her man knock her out.
Knock her out?
You know what she do, Raga? Raga, you know what she do?
What?
She down her yard one day and hungry, Raga. Her man gone to work and no left nothing for she eat, Raga. You know what the girl go do?
What?
The girl go kill the man, pet fish them out of the man aquarium, the man goldfish them and fry them with escabille sauce, escabille sauce that down and eat the man goldfish them. You know when the man come from America and see him fish them, the man beat her to frazzle.
Hold on.
And put her out.
Hold on. Are you telling me that the man have some pet goldfish? And Mama hungry clot up Mama and Mama take down the goldfish them? Oh yes, Mama cook the goldfish. How she cook them? Escovitch.
Fry them with escovitch sauce. I swear to God, Raga. I like you, my brother.
No, I can't believe that.
Raga, a tambourine for that.
No.
No.
Any other tattoo talk. Because when Mama talk up the things, we get a tambourine, though. So when you talk up the thing, tambourine. What you really tell me, say the man having pet goldfish.
I never hear everything and come make me know.
And Mama hungry. And Mama take out the pet goldfish and fry them up and escovitch up the pet goldfish.
Fry them and escovitch them. Long time I eat them up. The man nearly beat it out her belly, Raga.
What you tell me, say?
Hungry belly, girl. Them girl and have nothing, Raga.
Oh, God. A real thing you tell me with the goldfish, them?
Raga, I swear, Raga. My brother, I'm not like you. I swear.
Escovitch goldfish?
I swear, my brother.
Oh, Lord, no. Well, me have to ask Mama about this because...
Raga, them girl are no bad day. Say what you call Mama. You see when the program just started and you talk about who Jack shooting at back too.
Oh, that song there was who look like Jack.
Mr. Chia describe.
Oh, I see it.
Swear.
The Michael was thrown there. Yeah. Oh, Lord, boy, the goldfish thing, the boy, it just mash up my meds. I'm not lie, yo. Mash up my meds.
I swear.
Yo, a real thing. And when you say the brother come in and when him see them goldfish them gone and Mama eat them.
The man try to him fish them, Raga. The man try to him to pick them.
Oh, Lord. And about when this happened?
About 2 months ago, Raga.
Oh, Lord, the poor goldfish. But goldfish stuff he eats, so no?
No, Raga. She don't live nowhere. People place to fish the catch. She just catch and bounce boat.
No, but goldfish stuff he eats, so
when she
no?
go back at the yard the next day, Raga. When she go back at the yard where she live with the man the next day, the man lock her out and put change padlock. Raga, she kick off the door and go in at the man house to mash up the whole of the man furniture. Them and fling the man's fan in the wall and mash up the man. Yeah, Raga.
So
all look see. Them girl they are no body. Them girl for boy. I miss the girl. Them girl want inner. Them girl can't look like me. Time to support them girl have to look for me. I mean I'm a judging clothes. Rather them not stop look.
Mad.
I want to pop them crew.
Mad.
Pop down. From loud.
Mad.
Be sketching them, brother.
What you say, Ruth? What you say, Ruth? Who? Okay. All right then. Blessings and respect here. Boy, I'm telling you that goldfish.
Like what me say.
No, but you step up and you defend your man those things. So give Roach a yell for me.
They don't mix me, because I don't mingle, Raga.
Okay, but...
I'm trapping a barrel, all them want to try to hold you down, them can't hold you down, them over them do everything.
Well, we're glad they get a clarification because Mama did talk it, say, are you run, come outside, come talk up them things there, and make everybody hear it and whatever. So we're glad you come with a clarification and thing. So big up yourself and Roach and thing, yeah, and thing, all right?
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessing. Jano, Mama, I'm a link, but Jano, me not hide and talk. I talk to Mama. Mama knows say we keep it real. Any Mama did eat them goldfish there for real. We have to ask Mama. No, the poor goldfish them, man. Yo. No. Anyway, give me our next card. Take you back, Mixup, any other Mixup. Take you back, Mixup. Mama, big up yourself. Roach, big up yourself. You know, all the people I'm involved in other Mixup here. Cartel, large up yourself. Cartel, woman, large up yourself. And Roach, woman, large up yourself. And Mixup. Yo, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Yeah, Raga. Big up the pastor lady with favor when rat drop down in a fat buckle.
Tambourine. Big up the pastor lady with favor when rat drop down in our
fat buckle.
Fat buckle.
Coconut oil buckle.
Coconut oil buckle. So why you have get this a pastor lady, I know, eh?
I want to go funeral thing, man. Like, you have some brother who live in the country, so we never see home sick.
Yeah.
So they have one sister dead.
Yeah.
So his sister kind of, it's dead and left because, you know, a little wealth. And they might like the poor, I think. They don't really know nothing. As I say, they might never see come see.
Okay.
So all of them brother, them know I try to fight and everybody want emotion hit and so no cooperation, no night.
Right.
So I did the funeral, like the pastor in the church. So when the funeral service and so over, you know, the family in the country, no cemetery, no did it. So I like a family flat thing. So the family flat, they are like a distance from the church. But anyway, the brother, one of the brother's son, the pastor just give him the dead surface ticket to just hold on for a little bit.
Right.
So till she reach at the flat.
Right.
That as me say, them have to walk a little distance to go at the flat.
Right. Yeah.
When the pastor finally reach at the family flat now and Didi and Ting and them ready now to get, because they can't bury the dead unless she have the
certificate.
Right, the service ticket.
Right.
When the pastor asks the service ticket, not a service ticket. When the pastor asks the brother, when his son with the service ticket, the brother says son gone and yard. Which is about 2 more miles from which party church, they much less to go reach to the family flat. So, same time, don't come the rain.
Don't come the rain.
And don't forget search to the sun to get the surface ticket.
Forget the surface
ticket.
ticket.
Rain a fall and lightning a cut.
Yes.
Every drop of rain done for the pastor, you want to see the pastor in the mud in our spiking and thinking, Mr. the pastor Bex, if you ever see the pastor face, the pastor Bex, the pastor face, ever when time push jump in a hot ashes. That's what the pastor
the pastor face ever when push jump in a hot ashes.
So she Bex, if you ever see a yai them. Never went to in a day life. The pastor Bex. When the surface ticket come by time, the surface ticket do reach. Night come down, the pastor just make this finish flinging it in a wall. Somebody wet mud. The pastor go somebody wet mud. And fling it on the back. I say ashes to ashes and dirt to dirt.
No man, ashes to ashes and mud to mud.
Right, I'm seeing mud funny me say, Raga, me are dead. Because me a walla in idiot all boat in the mud, me a walla too man.
I use a mix up though. You love the laughing, don't it?
Yeah man, me be all boat in the mud a walla too.
Mad. But you see, that's why people must make sure so them documents are in order when them are deal with wedding and funeral and them things. You understand?
No, but Raga, you lady just simple give them something to just hold on for until when time she reach. When they left gone.
When they left gone with it, well, they see them don't even know how important them things there is, so we have to take time with them.
I told them fool, Raga.
Okay.
I told them fool, they said that have something to do with it, so all that them are hang on fan to that means to say, I know they don't know no better.
Okay.
They don't know no better, so them are hang on all fan the surface ticket too.
All right, let's say a word here. Thanks to that mix up there. You take care now, all right?
Cool.
Bless
all
you.
Right.
Say, the pastor begs like when pushing her attaches. Gotta love Jamaica. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, good afternoon.
I have a take back for you.
You have a take back mix up. Rinse it, box me, and I'm a class with it, yes.
The one I don't see. I have this friend, so she had told me to go in a one town in a particular parish.
Yes.
And she hang out with some friend, and she get her phone for walls with this guy.
Yeah.
So she get a guy phone, it's a BlackBerry torch.
Yeah.
She tries to switch over the battery. And then she forgot to take the phone from the guy, and when she go home, she asked about the guy for the phone.
Yeah.
The boy I got said him can't find the phone. So she said, my youth, I don't watch who they were there, and I say, hold my phone. How comes in on my phone now? The boy say, him have it up in house come feed.
Oh, so and it's a BlackBerry torch, so a brand new, the most expensive BlackBerry, right?
Exactly.
So him said the phone up in my house, and then what me, you know?
So she said, all right then, come go for the phone. Then the boy I try to get her another house. She said, me not depend that. Anyhow, it turned out that the boy wants to swipe on his girl. So him take the phone, get the girl for the swipe.
Him get the girl a phone for swipe?
Yes.
And then
get the girl the phone. So afterwards, when the girl come down, and I tell him she want back her phone. Or I try to get back the phone from the girl after and done swipe the girl and get her the phone.
Okay. So what? Him did I do that? Him call the girl or what?
It's like he meet up back with her and him find her in the district and tell her, say, baby, the phone I have more and give back one different BlackBerry feet and give him back the torch because the girl don't pan him now and say, she can't go to police station for the phone.
Oh, okay.
So he want to take back the phone.
So
the girl said, I give him back the phone there. So the girl come to me and tell me, for me, Raga. They have to keep that the phone there because Me have one belly when me have to dash away, and me nah keep it.
Well, but the belly different from him, though. She did get the belly different from...
And a fame belly, man. But she use the phone, sell the phone, get the money for dash her belly to clear up herself.
Oh, so she done sell the phone already?
She done sell the phone because she has to clear the belly.
So, well, I know. So, your friend give the boy the phone for all and then forget it. Him now give the girl the phone, forget a different girl, forget a swipe from her. She now go sell the phone, forget money for dash her belly where she did get with a different man.
Man,
Papa like Jesus, that. What a mix
up. I tried to keep back.
Then it work out now. I just that's right then now. Nobody don't know where the phone.
Business with them because police can't lock her for dash her belly.
Okay, well what may I say? Your friend not get back her phone then?
She not get back her phone because she got police station with it now.
She got police station with it. The police have moved to him?
Well, me not sure yet.
So wait, are the girl when they pregnant and I got dash with the belly and sell the phone? As she talk to she is a swipe she get him.
Them talk to me.
Well, but she talk say is a swipe him give her the phone forget from her.
Yes, him give her the phone and then give her a swipe too.
Then then when him swipe her, she pregnant.
Yes.
I when the woman watch. So him swipe a breathing belly woman then.
Him swipe a breathing belly woman.
Oh Lord have mercy. Then now this a boy you go on some.
Dirty boy, Raga.
So your friend at station now defend her phone?
Exactly, because she want back her torch.
But what a journey that the phone they go through. But tell me something now.
I told the phone sell for go sell too.
I told the phone what?
I told him send the phone for go sell it.
Who said it go at town for go sell it?
The girl will get the phone and get her swipe.
Oh, she said it go at town for sell it. But what me want to know?
Yes.
Where your friend did get the phone from? I don't buy your friend, they buy the phone.
I want to tell her that she get it from free and not foreign.
That's it then now. If that man know where that phone go through after him buy that phone, he would have probably him buy the phone, give him woman at Jamaica who is your friend. She get the man for all little bit. Him cut with the phone, go give her next woman the phone so that him can swipe her or breed. That woman that will get the phone now, she got sell the phone so that she can get money for that's for the belly where she says she not go keep. I saw the phone send go town and go sell.
The phone send got town and she said she not try to get back the phone because the people then don't get it and get it on a good deal.
And think, does she dash for the belly?
She get her money for her dash her belly so she could.
She dash for her belly?
She dash it already.
Okay, then I let the boy know him go swipe all the pregnant woman.
I don't see boy around.
All right, blessings. Here, you take care of yourself here.
All right then.
What yo, this one go hard to them, Emily. Eh? No man, this one pepper to them man. This one 5 pepper to them man. That's straight scotchy. Straight scotchy. Scotch. No man, every day so far shot in a man. Every day so far shot. Me not lie. Anyway, give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what on?
Well, Andy, tell them whoever have radio near you for turn it off.
Wait, sir?
Whoever have radio near you, tell them turn off the radio.
The button have no radio near me, Raga.
Okay, is a man or woman may I talk to?
You're talking to a man.
This is a man may I talk to. You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure, Raga.
Okay, all right. But you sound like a woman.
You're a woman sometimes.
You're a woman. Well, you're a man, but you're a woman sometime.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're man. Your man no. Talk to me as a man now, though.
No, he's a woman now, Raga. He's a woman now. The name Karina Smirnoff.
You're the Karina Smirnoff.
Karina Smirnoff, like Smirnoff eyes?
Yeah, like Smirnoff. Okay, all right. What you say now, Karina Smirnoff? A man who is a woman sometimes.
Raga, I'm upset bad. I must tell you about it.
What you upset about now, Karina?
Raga, I said 3 weeks ago, Raga, they asked me to look at man for Facebook and so.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, man, I hear what you say, man. Go on, talk.
I said 3 weeks ago, me to look at man for Facebook. Right, and we are talking and so. I tell him who the is, and him like it, and we've been talking so ever since and so, and then we exchange phone number, and then I come down from New York, he live in Bronx, and I come down, we're going to see us hotel one night, we meet up and go to see us hotel one night. Well on, so him fly, so him fly down and you and him meet up and go to see us hotel. Yeah, I look at cheap place, man, because you never really have it, you understand me? Okay. You look at sex shop. I never look at another relationship with a look still. Another relationship, I just straight start out. Yeah, look start out and so. Okay, all right. They might bring a BlackBerry phone, but listen to this, listen to the Mixup part now, Raga. I said the man bring one BlackBerry phone to Raga, which I was doing look at things the night at the hotel.
Yeah.
Then give me the phone, and give me the phone, and they will do a look at things, put on my SIM card night in a Raga. I call out my friend, and tell him to have one nice BlackBerry phone.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, Raga, after we do look at start out, Raga, I'm going to think the man don't spend the night, Raga, so Raga, we'll bed in the Raga after we're done.
Well on, what you say, why you think what?
I think so the man that will spend the night.
Well on. Stop somebody that them out for cut you off, because we're getting feedback from a radio that is near you.
All right, yeah, you better know, right?
No. We are hearing you good. What I'm saying was getting feedback from a radio that is near you. Tell them turn it off and keep it off, or go. You will move her from it.
Maybe them turn it off now.
All right, move her from it. Yeah. Go on, Tano. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, Brother, after we do look at thing the night.
Yeah.
After I get the BlackBerry phone, and give me the BlackBerry phone before we do look at thing also. I'm gonna call, just put my SIM card in there because I want to look at flashlight Nokia.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my SIM card in there. I'm gonna call all of my friends in the record. Them have BlackBerry phone, and them always about to come in and call them, but they have BBP, and I'm telling them they have no BlackBerry below.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I know me a post fan them and I show off, so I call them and tell them to and give them a pin also.
Yeah.
Don't look at starting out and start the night. I think we'll still Raga our bed now, Raga. I think the man I go sleep that till morning, my love.
Yeah.
When we wake up, Raga, I see the man now the phone.
When they watch it now, you tell me. So, well on, the man.
No, Raga, I'm upstairs.
So the man cut with the.
All of us are client them number in our head.
All of your rest are client.
Yeah. Raga is a business woman, Raga.
You're a business woman. You sell to enough, man, though.
No, Raga, this is on Facebook. Raga, never a woman profile.
Yeah.
You can catch the man. I'm a business dog.
So you have a woman profile where the man them see and them get excited and them move to you because them think a woman them a move to.
Alright, listen, let me tell you why I'm upset, Raga. Because all of my friends have the regular BlackBerry.
Yeah.
But you see the one them bring them, Raga, the one at the we call it torch or torch.
Yeah, man, yeah.
And the new one, Raga.
And the new one. The new one.
The new one, Raga.
And so?
Take Raga, I'm wake up and don't see the man, Raga, and see the phone, I feel better.
No, but it don't look like you know the road code, man, because you got that short for you sitting again next man and sitting and then go sleep and never. You give the man a phone daggering. You give the man a phone daggering and go sleep. Like I make the man tired the out and thing and cut and go with the phone. But you know easy.
No, Raga, you can't say that.
Then that's that, man.
Now, I put my things in under the mattress, I put them in the pillow case, I put and lay down, put my head on the pillow and so.
Yeah.
But I don't Raga, trust them and them. I like I think in that talk, but a long time when I talk Raga, if you look at you don't want a relationship, and that's try to change me. I tell me I'm having wife and children, but I don't know where Raga, I guess I might bad look there.
Well, him having wife and children.
Him listen, in engaged, forget married, him not married yet. You understand?
Right. Okay.
But at the same time, you have a child, but he's not really into.
Hello? Wow. You get cut out? Oh, it look like he got with the credit too. What you say, Michelle?
I'm going with the credit, my love.
My love. Raga.
Upset.
Yeah, but him is a man. Who him say is a woman sometime.
Him say transform.
Him say
yeah. Love.
Hey, Michelle ain't easy, you know. Michelle, when you say him say transform. Him is a man where is a woman sometime. And he meet this, but him have, you hear me, I tell you, that some of the talks them I say when them hear the homosexual man them call, them I say, yo, when I have the man, you hear the man say him have a woman profile on Facebook where he used to catch a man them.
He's an entrepreneur.
Yeah, and you hear me talk about him client, other client. Yo, Mr. Man.
Hello?
Yeah. Me I call you Mr. Man. Me don't even know if I call you man or woman.
No, Raga, don't upset me right now, Raga. Don't upset me, Raga.
No, but I go on like... No, listen carefully now, Richie. You're not going to cuss about it for the people them ready, right?
No, Raga, I'm not do that, man.
Okay, because you know if you behave yourself. No, but I go on like say you want me afraid of you, know. Hey.
But Raga, I don't want you further than and I'm not like that. But when you talk about man, Raga, don't do that right now.
No, but you make a man rinse you out and thing. and whatever.
No, Reggae can't.
You talk about client and you have nothing for show feet. You can frighten the Friday for New York, man, and then carry her on a Siasa backroad and rinse you out and thing. I mean, him probably I'll give one drink with 2 sleeping pills in. I must make it there sleep, so. I rather start out tired you out.
Probably, you know, Raga, because a long time, but I anticipate it to see, ma.
And what you say a while ago, ma?
No.
Yo, then, well, I saw you talk like that, you say, ma? Eh?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, why? May I tell her, say, when I saw sample talk there, thing, you know. No, tell me something.
My love, Miss Lou set the trend for me.
Miss Lou set the trend. But tell me something. I want if a man out there married and picnic and all them things, and still I sort out, you know? I sort out man too.
Yeah, then why not? Raga, double standard, my love.
Okay. All right, Papa, I say a word here. Everything is everything. I hope you get that next Blackberry. Osh.
Baby, hello?
Hello? Yeah?
What you saying?
No, me say, hopefully you get back a Blackberry, you know?
No, Raga, but we have a Blackberry now, but that's a regular one then.
The regular one then, all right then. Probably you
get... the touch, the boy and man, you bring them look at touch and stuff to me. But Raga, but the early day I see him on Facebook.
Done him.
You gonna hear about it?
You gonna hear about it? It will be hell and powder house there.
No go
noise. All right, Papa, all right. You take care. We break out of here. Yeah, man, walk good. Me a good duppy follow you. Me a gear duppy follow you. Gear duppy. All right, take care. All right, backside. This is why you're not easy at all. We will have break with soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the team them.
Hey man, welcome back up in nice setting and I don't know so we say mix up and blender and sitting. To the phone lines we go, take you back mix up or any other sample mix up no one rinse. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes, greetings.
It's rather I want to mix up with you what happened to me, a personal something to me, you know.
Rinse it.
We have this girl that's over 3 years ago. So after I leave I up of women born and grow up in a St. James. So the girl say I move go down in a magazine in St. Elizabeth area. So after the girl we agree how we go down there. Well, all by my surprise, you know, say I rip the girl and rip me off, you know. I rip you off how? Yeah, the whole lot of man. So it's like one day, you know, I have a friend who come from England and have a truck. He can drive a truck without load, but he can't drive it with load. So we get one contract to go draw some feed in front town up in Arizona. Yeah. So the night the girl asked me, say, what time me going to town? So me say, me don't know when the brother come with the truck. So the man, me quit up and I go Raga. For me and the woman for 3 years. She have me up the grill and come out of the house. Me the woman call me and come hug me up and give me a kiss. That kiss they take. When we began at home. Well on. And she never, in the 3 years you live with her, she never do that yet. She never do that to me. And you leave the man in there, she just hug you up and give you a sample kiss. Brother, me say the woman come give me a kiss. Me I say, Jesus God, I set you up for something, you know. Go on talk. I said to my friends, my youth, that kiss you, me not like it for me, and they never do that yet. So you know, we got told now when we come down back. Me have one friend who like, you know, you have some friends that just see a mouth, you. So he come and I said to me, say, my youth, how come you see that you go nearer to town where your house, that you go back in a country? So I say, what you mean? He said, where you woman there? Me say, me left him on a yard this morning, me got home. He said, me sure? So me say, yes. He say, all right. Me now say nothing more. Come in on my car, me a grown on your yard. You see when me grown on the yard? Backside and open the grill, the gate and bust the grill and go in. When me first place, me enter the dining room, the living room. When me go in there, empty. When me rush a kitchen, it empty. Me rush in, I pick me them room, it empty. For Jesus, how this? You see when me go in a few bedroom, empty. All me go in there, empty. Here, what me find in there, make empty. 2 sheets of cleaner paper and one yellow toothbrush me have. He put on one and put the toothbrush funny. I'll cover the toothbrush with one other sheet of cleaner paper. Tambourine! Well, I did what you done, so me did it now. Me I say, Papa Jesus. go down on the road and I check one of my friends I want and tell him what I go on. So he said to me, say, why I don't know how to do. Anyhow, me say me did it and the friend for the truck now he give me human take all my clothes, you know.
For real?
Human, the uncle suit me up on my back, brother. I the one where me go town, you know. And the brother have to give me clothes. So one day me did it, and one my friend said to me, say, you know where the thing live? So me say, no, he say, me they go carry you down there, but me no want she know, say, and me, cause she see me and she know me I have virgin.
Yeah.
So we go down there the following night. When we go at the yard and call the gal, the house ain't go rent, you know. He grill from one corner of the window to the other corner when no window no there. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
So when we did it, make call, she wouldn't answer. So for me brethren, call her, cause she and the brethren are good bonify, you know. So she come out and the brother talk to her. So here where she go say, where we did live, she didn't like there, so that's why she moved. So the brother said, you did tell him say I go move. No. And it's a surprise she did again.
It was what a wicked thieving, wicked dirty galley, man. What a wicked thieving.
How you feel move? And he don't know, I know him we go out and come back and he could find him. He said, well, let us. So the brother said to her, so he need clothes. He said, no, if he come back in 9 morning. You see, morning when me and the brother go back there about 9 o'clock. He got gone too far.
No, but
like he load up he group with furniture.
Well, no, well on. But you know say you eat it.
Read what?
No, the woman can clean out your house. Give you a proper kiss where you never get in 3 years. Clean out your house. Clean out your house. Left one yellow toothbrush one piece of newspaper and cover it up with the next piece of newspaper. And then you manage to find her. All the way down in St. Elizabeth, you left from be Montego Bay, Saigon, saying you find her. And you make the girl tell you say you for come back the next morning.
The way me I go do raga, me I see a cook, she become one. If I have me clothes, me they want. So me and the brother say,
me say a madness you attack, she have to come out of that downstairs, me a burn it up, you mad? Me nah left, me would have never left for this or that the night. The way you mean you left for her and come back the next morning?
But anyhow, listen what me I say, so after me there, and we go and we come back, she gone.
Yeah.
So, that time I work with parish council, you know. But that way in the 70s, even in the 79, in the year there. So, me go down where she live at Magati, and they have a market this Saturday, so me go down there. Me see her in how she don't see me, but where she position herself. She position herself, he said, anywhere me I come from, in case me and she would have to see me first.
Yeah.
So anyhow, when me go there, me see her, so you know that time they are pure $20 the biggest money we did have.
Oh, them days, yeah.
Yes.
The red one.
Yes. So me go collect me pay a mobile, man. And me get, I mean, 11,000 for me basic pay. $11,000 worth of $20, so you know what I'm talking about.
No, then that good money that in them days, man.
And me get once over 6,700 and something for traveling and laundry allowance.
God, that probably equivalent to a good 100,000.
Listen, here the sweetest part of the joke now. So when me see her, me papa one roll of money. But it's a girl will love money.
Yes, man.
So she see me and
damn
say,
thief them.
See me how you going like, you know. So me say, my God, and you know, me never see you, my girl. So she me go over to her and she attack. So
Ruth! What? Oh, Lord God. Sure. You have my number. Call him back. We could get back that mix up here, man. We could get there and that. So what a girl thief and wicked, man. Me not hear you, sir.
Slick. Just flip it. Don't surprise me,
Don't surprise me. I surprise me. Never the kind of like what we did leave, you know, something. We just move out the things into somewhere better so that, you know, we don't want to surprise you and get something better.
She want him to say, no.
Yo, let me tell you something.
Because some man not left, you know.
No, me don't even tell you what me would do. Me not allowed for separate what me would do. Me not hide and talk. Me not allowed for separate what me would do. I make anybody come tell me about you're abusive to woman and all them something there and whatever they say. You have some woman do some sitting and go on with something and get with thing and they are here. But they in a big trapped man. You cannot do that to the woman and all of them something that damn wicked and thief. Go and talk, sir.
Yeah, so after when we got all that said and done, know me and she did.
So the money that they are dazzle eye them and what?
Because that thing will love money and he knows, say, when he, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I want good work. So
yeah.
She said to me, say, you know what, say, Come on in me there, so I said, I don't make nothing and them pick me. Because I know me want to know where she live now. You go hear the sweetest part of the joke. So when we find, he said to me, say, he go buy some rice, some bullet beef and stuff. He pick me them. And she called one car brother and send me on the car and tell him to drop me off up at the yard. So when me go up there, me say, hell, look for me furniture them, so. Anyhow, me pick them cook. Full them belly. They love show. So I show it out of the square. Triple bill. So me give everybody $20.
Yes, man.
That's a big meal, you know. So when she come out, she said to me, say, yeah, they go show me, I go show you. Me say, yes, but here what happened. You know the ropes. And you don't know where tiger tie, but the lion wanted to roam. So I said, no, me must wait till she come back, me must stay. I come with her. So I said, no, man. Make me fat myself. You read what me I play? You read what me I say?
Well, what code, what?
The code is in terms of fat, you know.
Yeah, man. Okay, yes.
So she said, no, so I insist, and she said, all right. Since I so, but anyhow, me give her $100, that's a $20 if you are fear.
Right.
The brother where they at the gate now know me. So after she gone, and me say, me tired. If she gone, so me get up and go up at the place. And me see the brother, so the brother at the gate, man. So I say, bigger, how we all look for fatty? So me say, yeah, nah, man, me know. He say, yeah, man, she not sure. So me say, tell her when she show up, send me up the road. Why you think we do now?
Get that.
Go get one chuck, man.
Yes, man.
And me ask the chuck man if he can do something for me. He say, what me tell him. But where she live, the chuck couldn't go around there. And have a reverse out the road and enough little corner and a fence two sides. So he said to me, say, if me can get a pickup, who can go around there and carry the things them come?
Yeah.
Fine. See him having to me move on, me see one van man and me tap him and me say, boss, me no want a problem here. He said, what? Me said to him, say, boy, is that thing move with her every up to me? He said, Jesus Christ, nobody talk of same thing my wife do me jump up on the van. And he came around there and we make 3 trips. When me go on there,
yeah.
Me take away dirty clothes, me take away clean clothes, me take a 4 bed me have in our house, you know. And me take away 4 of them, you know.
Well, when she did cut with your furniture, how much bed she did take?
3 me have and him, when me don't come by one and he have 1 and me have 2 dresses and me go to 3, me take everything, you know.
So you just take away everything out of here, all the extra what she have now, you take away?
Me take away the clothes, dirty, clean, wash, not dry, everything me gone.
You don't clean out everything, me not wrong, me not blame you.
Me move him up, man. When me there road, me see him up and down in a one car, police. So the brother of the truck said, I must lead on in a truck. And we drive past and me come back a country, really go give me sister.
Well, and so by the time you take the pickup and car, go down at the truck now, by that time that you see her, the police will look for you.
That's how when we load up. In the truck.
That's how you don't load up.
You don't get truck.
Oh, but she
drive go up on the main road to go there.
Oh, but she don't know which truck. She don't know the truck. All right, see
that. Just drive and look. So
yeah,
when we do all of that,
yeah.
Once we come, I go a country and find my sister and go to the yard. But she think my sister idiot. Because you see the receipt and everything when me have. Me give the sister. When me find back the things, them are the first something me look by the signature jar, the chest jar.
Yeah, the receipt them.
Yes, so me control them. So when me go, me get so him take police, find my sister and take police. Go say it things them have him. So the policeman said to her, say, my sister said to him, say, no officer, I must come with the receipt, because I know say everything when me have after my brother. So the police said to her, say, where your receipt? Me take them away. So my sister said to him, say, all right, if you take them away, officer, I make a feedback with the receipt, and she had tell me what happened, you know. He said, sure, police, everything we take up after me name, and the policeman said to him, say, so where for your receipt? You know, me no know where they, but officer, to be honest with you, if you can't give me back Uncle one of the bed, the police tell him, say, no, you can't get none.
Can't get back nothing all wicked, I saw you feel outsmart. What a girl wicked, man.
Me a God almighty, Raga, me I tell you, it's dead.
Yo, a proper take it back, mix up the cinema.
Raga, me nearly dead. You see, when the brother came me over yard, when me go in, he must give me water.
Oh, okay. When I realized I should move out everything.
Jesus Jesus Christ, me say me heart start flatter. When me visit this part, I thought me have some money enough for me and her name, you know. And me hide the bank book over the clothes closet. I put in a some LP album when me had it. I mean, you know, the girl finally I got 280,000 outside bank, you know.
Clean it out.
Jesus Christ, I know me I this old book. I must see how much in there, must in $96 left in it. Brother, I tell you, boy, I don't know, I'm wicked this shit and got everything.
Remember me tell you, that's why me tell people, say, oh, no, hey, them not tear me, you know. Them not tear me. From I was 14 and me go through my thing. Down at the conscience bring video thing there where the woman name out my money and carry go give her man and me go on there and think me and her did that things. When me go on there, me say, boy, I suck out her tongue out her head. I say, go back to the idiot boy for some more talking now. And think from that day, I think me learn my lesson. No woman not tear me. If me get woman something, me not expect to get nothing in return. You understand? And not trust me. But not trust them.
We don't give one of that drama. No, I see one again.
Hold on. Wait, you see, we attacked you when we had several other callers and things. That one you shot?
Yeah, man.
All right, rinse it quick.
Me and this girl, you know, we meet her and me and she attack, but her man work at town. So he tell me, say, we come prayer in the night. So when me go there, me is a man still, you know, anytime me go there, you know. Me no long argument. What if go on, so if me have to run, me running with belly full.
Exactly.
So say, hey, my girl, stop the argument, man. Do what you have, man. Make people go on.
Send on.
No, you come for stay. Me say, no, me.
No, you don't come for stay. You come for come.
Yes.
You come for come. You don't come for stay. You come for come.
Yes. So I think one.
Yeah, so I think.
When me did them, I don't know if I dream, big man. Alright. You chance me, you know. When me lie down and me just like somebody said to me, say, look through the window. When me look out through the window, the woman, man, I come about 1 o'clock in the night, moon shine like day. So me say, three things, say, who this a come down the yard? How you say, man, they are doing? She say, of course, go lead on a dopey. Me say, no, I no dopey, I want man, you don't get blue bag for him.
Well, she a tell you, say, if you go lead down because I dopey.
So me say, no, I no dopey, I want man, you don't blue knapsack.
Yeah.
When she get up and go look, he say, Lord Jesus, I'm a baby father. Where you go do? Me say, when me I go do? I know when me I go do and where you they go do. He say, me if you go on that bed. Me say, no, not that wrong thing. Me not hug up no bed mug.
Yeah.
So
now hug up no bed mug.
No. So me say, me afraid that woman run that, you know. The woman say, no, me must stand up behind the door. Me say, no. And when the man come in, he might go grab him man and shadow him and me go. Me say, no. You know the house a bill where the back of them tall.
The back.
You ever see the house a country yet?
Where the back
where the front part low man and the back tall like you could have make it upstairs.
Me not quite know, but yeah, go on, ta.
Yeah, so he said, me say, come out now and go on at the back of the house, pan the back door go hold on. Pan the door face me. Raga me
well on. Yeah, hold on pan the door face at the back.
Yes, we can't do it. When we go, she shut the door, but the place style, so we can't go down.
Oh, you can't go down, guys. So you out there, hold on the door, up that.
A hold on to tell trench cut between my finger in I door. When me take a stop, me Lego. It take me about 5 minutes to go ground. when me drop, not even right breadfruit. So, me in the house, the man said to her, say, who does like somebody jump? So she said to him, man, shut up your mouth of breadfruit, you want breadfruit tree behind you. He said, shut up your mouth of breadfruit, jump off my tree. One sinkhole behind your house, may come down now. Cut the shot. So when me come out now, me know it's a sinkhole there, you know. So in morning, she said, when him hear the drop, he said, Lord, Jesus in my mind. The light think why sinkhole. Boy. So I said, where is my footprint, you know? Right on the edge, he sinkhole, so him go a sinkhole. Oh, he hears me drop down in there. Easy,
yo, Papa, you go through it. You go through it.
Yeah, I want it, man. I call you back and you. I know fit me, I tell you.
That's our word, man. Make Ruth take your name and number here.
Make me Michelle have my number, man.
Ruthie, have your number.
Yeah.
All right then. Boy, you know easy at all. I saw sample mix up your job, man. We not lie. Man say well I'm on the door till him well I'm on the door till trench go in a finger them. All right, Papa, take care. No, sir. No. You show pepper like wow today. Cure money. Okay. Here we go to the phone line. Stop. Put them on it. Oh, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
First time caller, long time listener. Big up to the Mixup crew. Anyway, Raga.
Yeah.
I have a Mixup figure still. I have this friend, you see.
Yeah.
To meet this man downtown in Mothers. You see?
Yeah.
And send the man a link. So the man said to her, say, come make me, you go somewhere now. So she said, which part? So the man, she said, which part? So the man said, just go cool out. Anyway, she and the man got this spot and them go cool out then. So she left and she go home back. After the man, long after now, she and the man are linking and the man said to her, say, yo, we want to start out. And I'm going to get 24 grand.
24 grand for a start out?
Yeah, so she said, hey, but here's the thing about in Raga, she got the hotel with the man. And the man got the money, but the thing is, the man got the money, she count the money. So the man said, now what I do for something, you know what the thing what they use already. Then,
what, condom?
Yeah, when she go in the car for the condom now, and the man said, bring the money with you now. So she bring the money, and when she go in, and the man start to Raga. When she reach home, after she come back the money, a bare newspaper she see now the envelope.
Sure. We know them kind of. What?
Be a newspaper she see that the envelope, so she called the man.
Hold on. You know, say they act the mix up, and the mix up is funny and whatever. And you know, say Ruth and Micheline now laugh. The two of them I get upset and vexed with what the man do and whatever and thing. But it's a joke. Why don't I laugh now? Why don't I laugh now? Oh, we did I laugh a while ago. Me, Richie, Jeremy, and they never laugh. Richie laugh. The two of get upset like ready for the. So when they want to talk about the woman, they can't, the man, I laugh.
They come down the unexpected now, you know.
Yeah.
And then he might call me. Me don't tell you gate. So I say, what a woof a gate. Could never my gate. He say, pull the door now. So I pull the door and I look. I say, what you do at my gate? Yeah. So I can't come in. I say, come in. You have anything in here? Yeah. You forgot to me, I'm a furniture. Then I say, which furniture? Then I say, if you have furniture, you come take them out. But
yeah, go on, talk. Go on.
So they must say, what make me have to deal with him? Them way they see it. So me I say, him not have nothing in here. Him don't do him thing already. Me get to me want, and him get to him want.
But then him did buy the furniture then?
Yeah, him buy them, but I'm not busy for that, Raga.
So why you take the furniture then? Why him did do you?
Raga, whole heap of things him do me. Whole heap of things. Him have all him woman and me stood up with all of them something there, Raga. Whole heap of things. Okay,
so you just make him move somewhere where you know a year ends and a year cut and sitting and then make him know say him can't come take back none of that.
But hold on, Raga.
What?
You are going to have your woman and you know that she have a man out there. See, now everybody know and you and I still are there. She has sought out the man and is a big mix-up thing.
No, me and I not still there.
Raga, you have this youth of Sentis in Brompton, just a get a place, nothing else.
Yeah.
And him have this browning too, you know, and this browning have this man where them start out regular. And everybody have the man a laugh after the man. Everybody have the man a laugh after the man and say the man a idiot. No, say the woman a start out. When him ready him come, me not like how she a deal with me. And she just a go on. Never left her and then you hear him tell her, come take out the things. And when she go no Raga hear him, no go and left me please.
No man, she have him.
On her foot, you know.
Idiot man. Idiot man.
Idiot.
All right.
Wife is up.
You see
it.
As
the boy them would have said, my wife is up and the next man a dagger it.
You see it. Now see our word here. Blessings and respect here.
All right, respect.
All right. Catch the ride. Okay, we have to call him, Ruth. We have to call him. Okay, give me a call and take him out, mix up the show. I go hard. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
Oh, Mama can't understand the thing yet. It look like say our footback really pop up and all these things.
No, man. We have Mama online in a room. Just tell me, so don't worry yourself. We're going to bring in Mama after you.
Come here, say Mama let me down, you know.
No, man. Mama not let you down, man. Mama not letting you down. We're going to bring in Mama after you. So what you say, you know?
All right. May I call if you tell about my friend, man? May I take?
You take your friend, man.
Yes,
No,
Raga.
give me the mix up with that. I want to go on this.
Let me tell you how I get to happen, Raga. Me did a born me man with a youth. And she was say she am a good up friend.
Yeah.
She tell me man everything. Raga, the man tell me about, but he not tell me say she tell him. But you see, when me hear the man attack, I only she alone me confide in her and tell her certain things. So me know say she. So make me start to wonder now where she and my man in her, because she claims that she ate my man and she and my man and a friend. Talk the truth now, Raga.
Well on, so
that look fishy.
Okay, well on. You are born your man, right?
Yes.
And the only person who know the details about you are burning your man are your friend.
Yes, my bona fide.
You're a bona fide friend, but your bona fide friend always I tell her say she ate your man, she not like your man.
Yes.
Yet your man know everything what you tell your bona fide friend.
Yes.
So if your friend tell you say she ate your man and I like your man, but she obviously you calculate say she attacked to him, then it look like some more things are going on between your man and she.
Yes. Yes. So me start tell her certain things now just to hear me I got hear back from the man.
Tessa, that me do to you now, me do them no love do them something. What? Yes.
She play right in my hand. So me say, all right, your backside, your man, Raga. Me can't say that the right on radio.
What?
When me say, well, I go backside.
No, man, backside, then I am a rinse it all the way. Cardinal Green, not a problem with that one. Yeah.
All right, so me say, all right.
Yeah.
Fear man did look me, so me decide to me I go move to fear man now.
Okay.
I have no proof that she take me man only find way anything me tell her. Tell about the man and she tell me every day so she hate the man and she don't know what kind of man that and then something there. So me move to fear man now, Raga.
Right.
Anyway, me is a girl with the ear and nails.
So what? So you start take fear man. You start. That's what you say to pan fear.
Yes, me start take fear man.
Yeah, how you do ear?
Yeah, me do ear and nails.
Yeah.
So here where she do know, she one of my clients, you know.
Okay.
So she want her ear and her nails to do. They always go down her house and do it. So now, when she want her ear and her nails to do, she send the man to me.
Wait, which man?
Fear man.
When she want her ear and nails to do, she send fear man to you?
Yes, send her man with the car to come to me because me live in another era.
Oh, okay. Come pick you up. Right.
Come pick me up. When the man come pick me up now, we all start out, we all stop on the road and start out and all and something there.
Yeah, what
So, me call her now.
Yeah.
I say, so what the man there? You take me for eyeglass before when you say I send the man come pick me up to do your ear. You take me for eyeglass, me have other people business to do to you know my girl.
Mad! That time the man reach long time I not do the things them and you give him different style and a cock up and beat things, no?
Yeah.
Mad, yeah. Okay.
So when we go down there now and finally reach now and do our ear and all and something there and when the man come, the man let me off and go like you know really business with me and all and something there. When we finish now, the man carry me home and we stop again and start out.
A second round?
Yes.
Backside there now, man.
When she come to my house, anything we go on with she and her man, she come and she tell me anything at all, you know.
That I see a man where you are sat out?
Yes. My friend now come and tell me everything. So me know if a man, anything at all where a man like and dislike, me know be up in the man's business. Me know how much money he might get. Me know, so me can, when me see me can tell him how much me must get because she tell me how much he might get and all and something there.
Oh, so you know how much money you forget?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So him can't tell you no lie with him business and things
no.
She come tell you everything.
I know all I'm business like that. I'm having business lock. So the girl come now and I complain and I say, you know, say it coming like say the youth. And I have a woman. So me I say, what you say?
Which you come like which youth have a woman?
This my friend man. She say come like a man and keep a woman with her.
Okay.
And me I say, yeah, them something they are going and she say, yes man, and then something they are going. Because later night, he go to do and them something and talk to the girls on phone and all them something there. Yeah, and she tell me all heap of things, but at the same time, me and she don't know, you know. And me I say, then something they go on.
So she tell you and know say you are friend and take her man?
No, she don't know say me. She don't know say me. And she tell me everything, and I say, oh, when you used to do it now, do it again, and when him a go a bathroom, he carry him phone and all, and something to sleep with him.
Hold on there, 1 second, hold on, 1 second. All right, go on talk now, yes.
Yes, so she called me. It's just that still no Raga, but right now, me and him not really in a nothing too tough.
But you still there with your man?
Yes.
Okay. And up to now, she don't know say you did a sort out her man?
No Raga.
And you do her hair and all them something there and her nails?
Same way, Raga.
Then we ever do her nails and she talk about how, how we good and all them something there? Or the sort out good, or the sort out good with him and them something there?
She go on like she had a Christian type still, Raga. She not really talk about sort out and them something there,
Oh, okay.
But I tell her, so the sort out with fear man, shot.
Oh, the sort out with fear man better than the sort out with your man?
What you say, Raga?
What?
What you say?
The sort out with fear man better than the sort out with your man?
Yes,
Mad. So wait, so you confirm that she did a carry news to you think that she did that do something with your man?
Yes, Raga.
But you never really confirm it.
No, Raga, me never confirm it, but me feel so, Raga.
You just feel strongly that she did do something with your man?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, because if she say she hate your man and him on a good band and this and that, and at the same time I carry so much news to him, then she could have shield something from you too,
Yes.
So you just whap it back.
She don't know what me shield something too.
And you just whap it back the same thing, pana.
Yes, Raga.
Then tell me something. I always ask you this after me hear them things, If you have a good man and things are going for you good with your man and really this and what you going to tell your best friend about it?
Well, no, Raga.
No, because your best friend will start get envious and want to take your man and all. Come on, match up your thing down.
Yes, Raga.
All right, but tell woman all the while when things are going good, for careful on the best friend on our walk and a hype and thing. Because just jealousy and bad mind alone will make them mash up the thing. Anyway, blessings and respect here.
Yeah, big up yourself.
All right. Okay, Ruth, you say we'll take a call before we go to Mama, right? We have one more call before we go to Mama. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Raga.
How you do?
All right, so far.
All right, talk to me, Anna. What you have to say to me, Anna?
I just called you to tell you about this nasty guy that I live with in Raga.
You live with a nasty guy. Are you a man?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your nasty man where you live.
I live for 2 years. He run taxi, Raga.
He run taxi,
Right? I am a hairdresser. And last night I go on Raga and see this guy in my underwear. I don't understand what is going on.
Tambourine! Well, I'm the put.
I don't want to come on the radio with this now because I tell you to me upset bad.
You upset about it? What you tell me, say, you have a man where you're there with for 2 years now, right? And you come home last night and you see your man where you're there for 2 years now in your underwear?
Yes, Raga.
When did I do? Sleep in night or walk around with it or what?
Oh, come out night and my van is stopped from because.
If I laugh, I come in here today. Yo, what you say? What? Him come out in a... What?
He might tell me then put it on as a joking, but I don't believe that.
You don't believe it? You don't believe it?
He put it on to surprise me.
All right, tell me something now. Your man is somebody who run joke with you all the while?
No, Raga.
Him not run joke with you all the while?
No, Raga.
Him not bad, him not like...
And then Raga, words about it is they look a G1.
Well, lad, is that G-string him put on too?
Yes, Raga.
Yo!
So this is no joking. What you think about it? What you think I should do?
All right then. No. First of all, I want you to know that I appreciate the seriousness of the matter and thing. It's just that me always take bad things, make laugh and so forth. But at first, I want to say that it is. I can understand how it is a shocking and traumatic thing for you come home and come say the man who you love and care for and live with 2 years now and wear your G-string panty and so forth like that. Has he ever displayed anything for make you say, boy, you know, say man some look feminine things about him? You ever hear anything like that? You ever see him go on with any of that yet?
Repeat that one.
Have you ever seen behave or do anything to make you wonder, say, oh, am I going like him a woman, so, or anything like that?
No time at all.
No time at all. Well,
no time at all.
Well, listen, it's an unusual behavior, but the problem I have with it is that you're giving me the impression that him is not the type of man who joke them weird. So for him to suddenly do it right, you know.
It's only one time. I remember he told me that he liked it on his wrist.
Him like it on him what?
On his wrist. During the menopause.
So him like what the G-string on him wrist when him a sato?
Him like to put it, you know?
Him like to put it on him wrist?
Yeah.
Well, you mean when him a sato, him like to put the G-string, your G-string on him wrist?
Yeah, just putting onto, yeah.
No, hold on now. Because I'm going to say something where some people are going to laugh off of me. Wait, because I'm going to be honest with you about something. You have some man just crazy and funny, you know, because sometimes some man just playful, you know. Some man will just take off the underwear and put it on them head as joke. And whatever, in the sort out, you do some crazy, silly things, you know, in private. However, so the wrist thing, we can understand that. Some man say like, don't take it off fully, leave it by your foot, you know. Them look away there. Some don't even want to come over.
But Robert, the funny thing about it, teacher Patrick put it on his wrist one night, you know?
No. You see, I don't think you should be worried about the wrist. The part that we're worried about is that you say you come home. It's different if you and him are sat out and he's doing silly things with the clothes or the undergarments. That's different. You have some men who are just silly like that. Some women are silly like that, right? And playful. But what you're saying is that you just come home and he's there in socks and slippers and wearing a G-string underwear. That is most unusual. That is most unusual, and I would encourage you.
Ragashanti from me see me in it and I live out of the house. I don't go back in there from last night.
You don't go back in the house last night?
No.
Where you sleep? Where you sleep last night?
With my friend.
With your friend? You afraid? Eh?
No, but I'm upset.
No, but you have a right to be upset. And unless he can give you an explanation that you would say, you know, so that kind of makes sense now. I think you have a right to be upset. And he needs to give you some form of explanation as to what I'm really up to. Because him cannot tell you say that is not unusual. And the fact that him going to tell you say that is not unusual, it means that even raises more suspicion about what I'm really up to. By the time they tell us, I look at you, I did make man, I just want to freak you out or shock you or whatever. But for him to tell us, it is not unusual. Trying to convince you that this is quite normal. Men put on man put on them woman G-string underwear all the while. Nothing no go so. Don't make him tell you that. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. And when you say, him a taxi man out on the road where move like, you know, real man and thing, don't it?
Yes.
Boy, darling, I don't know what to tell you for doing, but right now, him need to give you a good explanation to say, because when I hear from you, it's great concern that this is a shock to you. This is not like him, you know. When I hear from you, like, you never expect this from him. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening.
I think that man may have some little freaky things that just come out now, yeah, man. Here? And you must know, there is what you call a sexual fetish. Okay, you listening to me?
Yes.
There is a sexual, them call it a sexual fetish. And what a fetish mean is like something will turn you on that is out, that is what they refer to as abnormal. Now people have all kind of fetishes. And you should know, one of the fetish out there among some men is that they get sexually turned on and excited when they wear women's undergarments. Okay? So I don't know if he has that, you know, in a Jamaica we refer to that as some form of freakiness. I don't know if he has that.
So,
but
talking short, do you think I should go back home?
Well, if it's somebody that you trust for 2 years and whatever, at the very least, I think you should go back home and just tell him, say, you need an explanation before you can move on and continue with this. And if him tell you, say, it is not, if him tell you, say, it's quite normal, tell him, say, no. Tell him, say, as far as you know, most...
I will go back home and I'll call you back tomorrow.
All right. I tell you what.
I'll go back home tonight.
Okay. Give Ruth your name and your number off the air, here.
Okay.
Give Ruth your name and your number off the air. But I want you to know that you have all rights to be upset and to be concerned about this. And this is a most unusual behavior. No man just get up and put on him G-string underwear, walk around in a socks and slippers and think and tell you about it is normal. That is quite abnormal. All right? And you give Ruth your name and number. We just remain in touch with this matter because this is a very serious one right here. Okay.
A mix up and blender time. I want to call and talk up the thing.
Well, needless to say, that last call of the whole on in a one piece. Hold on there. Nikisha Angel Sergeant from the fan wall. Where you post now? Me no want no kinky man. Me no inna them thing there. Me don't even want to talk to me during sex. Nikisha, with all due respect, you know. No, Nikisha, what you say you don't even want man talk to you during sex? Nikisha, you're losing out. You're losing out. If you have the right sort out and the man know how to talk to you and talk up some shit in your ears, all when the thing reach a certain heat and what I'm telling you, Nikisha? Nikisha, you're losing out. Nikisha said she don't like no kinky man. She don't even want man talk to her during sex. You don't say anything here, no, Michelle? Okay.
What? No, with the lady, and she's saying like the man wearing her G-string on him wrist, maybe a bangle. A bangle.
No, let me tell you, and some people not comfortable, but you know, sometimes you play around with the woman, Richie. Sometimes you do some create, you know, with the underground. We can't go into details about these things, obviously, but you do some playful things. That is not unusual. But for your woman come home, and you just walk around casually, like, you just walk around casually.
A beer out of the fridge,
yeah.
You know, I'm watching the game. And
what is him just watch a game, you know, and say, the football match are nice, you know, and kick back in at the coach, you know. And not that, I'm going to say something now, some man probably not agree with it, but with all due respect, yeah. And he can't say a mistake he make, you know. Mm-hmm. Right? Because it would be bad, it would be just as bad, but what I say is, if he did wear a bingo, he probably could have get to it, you know?
But that
if he did wear a bingo, you see what I say, Richie? If he did splash a bingo, you see me? But it's not even a bingo he might wear. He might wear a bikini. You understand? No,
G-string.
G-string. And when I say with G-string, again, we can't go into detail, but when I say, I'm going to quote it up. Which part the string go? Which part the string go? That brother they are low. Because if you import the string there, so I'm comfortable and walk out in a slippers and sock. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. All I want to know who a post and a talk about, so what, man, woman now wear man boxer shorts. It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing. But if woman now wear boxer shorts, and when I say the woman them gay, so why we are say the man gay? Oh, the backside on the car try to equate women wearing them boyfriend boxer shorts with the man I wear the woman G-string. 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 That brother they are low. Something in a something right there, so. Something in a something literally and figuratively. Something in a something actually and symbolically. And we know where the string in and something else there in something. No, sir. No. Papa Jesus, what? And a proper taxi man. You know,
every route busy. I know.
Yo, everybody in Jamaica, on a turn around and ask the taxi man if are you? Yo, everybody in that taxi right and lead over, ask the driver, are you as a bikini? Are you as a G-string? If I laugh, I drop the... Hey, how this was answer today? No, this show was sick today, man. Mad. All right, give me... Wait, yeah, Mama, Pauline. Mama.
Yes, Raga.
But Mama, you sound heated.
Long time, Raga. No matter girl phone to put on her too much. She a walk with Raga. She call on the radio and tell you nothing. They made a man clown, they call you and tell you nothing because she a man Google.
What?
Roach get a man Google Raga as him step out. Roach carrying a girl Raga. Them girl a clown behind the race out. My man a real fish. My man a have nothing to do with pets. That's what I mean. You know, go buy goldfish feeding.
Well on. Mama. You didn't really cook your man goldfish for you?
Raga, you know what I said to you a while ago? What my man mean? Him now go buy pet fish and the goldfish. Feeding. That's what I mean. Not even put rat dog. Not my man a raise Raga. We have no aquarium now we house. Our man a aquarium. We're fishing now.
Okay, so yeah, say a lie, she tell her, don't know go so.
The aquarium now me yard Raga. I not raise fish.
Okay.
We not raise fish. We not raise pet. So we had asked anybody in a Franklin town Raga. Now me that girl call up on the radio that come tell her because she a man Google.
Man Google.
She a clown behind the race town. Okay. I want to see the girl working at she come tell me give me $8,000. Me don't want her $8,000. She gonna take it and buy her home.
She gonna take it and buy her home?
And buy her home, because she can't get a baby. She get a baby and she walk it drop out.
No, alright. No, wait, mama. Even when we are taking to people, we don't want it go on a level. You know it go fit woman. It's a touchy subject that here. Alright, so make we not go there so and sit here. We'll leave that part there and thing. But what you are saying is that you never cook your man pet goldfish them and season him down with what she say, you season escovitch fish and put a kind of sauce on him and thing with your man pet goldfish. You never do that. You never do that.
Yeah, this is what Mama said to you.
Yeah.
We not raise pet fish. We not make the man not raise pet nothing at all. He not put dog rat nothing. Me not have no aquarium in my house. That girl never come to me and she doesn't even know which part me live, Raga.
Okay.
So I just take out your whole store but them having a them house and a war-foot artist camouflage man.
Okay.
I from landlord. Me not hide from landlord because me not pay rent.
Okay, let's see.
So girl come from here, come go like them rich and have money. Them girl have none, Raga. When me see my up and I laugh after her because she a clown.
But she did that down here and say you say you're not ready and this and that and she will give you $8,000. $8,000.
I want you give me a day to come up there, Raga. I want to see you, I want you to see me.
Okay, you don't come up here one day?
Yeah.
All right then.
Girl call for real that I come pick up them chest like them chest a pigeon chest. Them girl are idiot girl. I want them go to a washing machine for quote dollar down machine.
Oh, dollar down machine. Oh, the one where you give $1 and you can just take it up at higher purchase.
Me too call them up on the bill if I come can after them hide from landlord.
Okay. All right, then me just want to clarify the part about the goldfish though.
Me foot back. Rather, let me tell you how the argument goes. Me a bad girl. Girl don't know nothing about me.
You a bad girl. Yeah, go on ta. Yeah.
Girl don't know nothing about me. The girl don't know my background. She can't talk about ladies and mama and this and mama. And I me give myself mama. Oh, me behave on the man and them call me mama. And I me give my name. That's another from birth paper.
You see it.
And that's from my birth paper, you know.
But you say your foot back ever dirty all the time. Like she say you know take care of yourself and you know carry yourself decent.
Rather than you call tired half face, girl, if you ever push in a glass. I tell. Them girls can't come up in my face and come talk to me. Rather she start on the radio and talk. So anytime I go up the road, look at she see me and say nothing. We hear the massacre tomorrow.
Okay, no, we don't want a massacre. Yeah, we don't want a massacre. Nobody take it.
Start on the radio because our mama cook goldfish. My man has an aquarium in her house.
Okay.
We have the aquarium up our yard and our man in her eat. Our man has fish. Our man has gold, and not even goldfish. Our man has black perch fish.
But mama, you see, one of the other points she brought up though was that she said, what you did I say with the argument about when...
What I say to you, Raga. If anybody willing to call and talk when afraid of them, Raga, can call and talk. Now make a girl call for the radio and tell about nothing like Raga, me say one piece of bashment on the road, Raga, with the machete. No man never put a machete on a van. Like girl, I tell you.
No man, she said him did just take out the machete and can't go put it on the vehicle because choo, she did say she gonna chop him up on this and that. And she said him just take out the machete, can't go put it on the vehicle. She said nothing ever go on with no martial law between she and him and machete all about the place.
Raga, Some girl come for a radio, come tell her and pretend I'm pretty and polish up, not make it look good. From the floor, dirty, I mean, a girl come polish up, not rather.
See that?
I don't know how to do it like them decent. The man a decent body that come into a man, just to get from the woman that she had talk about, say, say like that, and the woman feeding there, and the woman have a star, so she put out a star, never take up ragga. So they make him come for the radio, come tell about the people, the man have bar pan. And so she don't look the girl in the yard, and she don't get the girl. The girl got a college where she have work, and if a price of flour and a wholesale for $3,500, come for about $8,000. Them girl are nothing. Because St. Mary tough foot girl are nothing.
So, but what did really happen with the machine then? What did really happen with the machine?
Brother, the man up one lane, him Aki lane.
Yeah.
And the taxi man stop and say to you, look all backlash was when you road say. Road should not do it. Like you roll up your machine to go chop your old man clown girl she have up there.
And the taxi man said, Roach, not do it.
Brother, if people, brother, who did you see if they're willing to tell them, call you and tell you.
Okay.
The man a body. The man an artist, a camouflage artist, coming to so good artist, a walk-foot artist, that. All he was about to live in an apartment, rather that is not an apartment, guys. A church, they're downstairs and then he was on the upstairs, for top of the tree, somebody live on the building. 3 people that live in an apartment.
Oh, Zen.
So she come from real attack like she live in an apartment. You know Camperdown Road, Raga?
Yeah, man.
Yes, it's straight for Camperdown Road, that's one upstairs building.
Which part of Camperdown Road, though?
Straight up on top of Camperdown Road.
Oh, yeah, man, I know this, man. I know this, man.
Yes, that's where they live, Raga, that is an apartment.
All right, then. I know how.
It's no apartment. I mean, they come from the road, I come pick up them stomach.
So, well,
in our community.
So when time the whole drama that go on the machine, some running after one another did go on and some run down and all them sitting there did go on.
That is what Mama tell us, eh?
Yeah.
Mama have no need to walk and tell life on people, because I not get fear.
See it there.
Rather, yesterday night, here or no, they go tell me friend they're nasty, start out in a red blade, they go tell me friend them. She come downstairs, about the listen to because she live on the building and them last live. We don't know about them, Raga said them talk to the house. Which part my friend and my friend, now nobody can. I must have next door near here, but which part my friend live. Can't hear, because I have a passage. My friend house in a passage and then for them, they weird on my bottom.
Oh, Zen.
But so, I come talk, I come big up and for 8,000. I don't want to 8,000, but I can pay the rent.
So Mama, basically, I say, and you alone did see the drama. What about people?
See what people say a crowd of excitement, Raga.
Okay.
But you me love the mix-up, me text up and call you.
Okay.
I like to call black boy.
Okay.
I got text for my friend. You my friend, I want him.
But Mama, big and serious. What you and Roach really have, though? Roach give me the impression say, man, you don't really have nothing. Auntie.
Raga, listen to me, I say, my friend, me love my friend. I said, you don't like my friend, Raga. For me, your friend and my friend good to me, and you don't like him like me, you hurt if you hurt my friend. I tell you that.
So you defend your friend?
Yeah, we are different with friend.
So your friend and Roach kick off?
Yes, Raga, over to Roach, I look the girl and hold for mix up a phone argument and call and hold for story, Raga, to the girl and just move and go for the building, go live. She help him and look the girl and hold for mix up so them cuss and police involved and hold for something. Him not telling them things there.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
Oh, so you just basically defend your friend. So you don't like Roach because Roach in a drama with your friend, right? And him a style your friend, so you just know, you're not nothing with him either.
Then I'm not with him because if you hurt my friend, I'm your hurt.
See it there.
My real friend.
All right, then, see. So you just, okay, all right. Let me see how the level set right there. So let me see how the level set.
I'm talking about him not do me nothing. But about kicking a face. Him can't kick in my face. Mama tell him that. Him have to owe Mama that. And my room still on my arise, you know. Anybody don't go down the back, them have to come out and give me my bed, you know.
Wait.
When you first sleep and down there.
Well on. You talk arise a prison, arise uprising.
Spanish Town Road. Right now, we don't treat them there. Me usually upstairs in a number one and my bed still there.
So you say, you can't go back there any day?
Any day.
And you say your room reserved down there and anybody in there, them have to come up because of your room?
Even my bed at the first bed, that's when me go down and go jail, me go up and go sleep. Anybody for my bed have to come up and give me it.
And for those of you abroad who don't know Arising is one of the most feared jail type of prison facility down here, you know, in Jamaica and so forth. So Mama said, boy, fear play. But Mama, we know why you go back to Arising do it.
That's what you see me, I come up the road there, so.
Yeah.
She thinks that they're from local idiot, camouflage, diggy girl. So she see me come up with my friend. She don't know nothing about Mama. Nobody in Franklin Town don't know nothing about Mama. They say Mama come to Franklin Town, come live. If they want to know things about Mama, ask the people about a St. Thomas or Yalas. Who is Mama, what them call Satan, and they will give them history about Mama.
What your name out of Yalas out there is Satan?
Yes, Raga.
A Satan and call you out there?
Yes, Raga, because she don't know nothing about me.
Okay.
So she don't go attack. Raga, I'm give her. My daughter some for the computer, make you look for the good, nice daughter where Mama produce as a mongrel.
Okay, your daughter?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so you mean you want to send that email to her?
You can up on the Facebook and you see her, Raga. I tell the girl about Mama Pidge. She knows my opinion when I bring her up there.
Okay, let's see.
You think it's a black tadpole me produce?
Is that what?
Black tadpole.
A black tadpole. Let me think it's a black tadpole. It's not a black tadpole you produce.
No, Raga is an all station mixed with food, Raga.
Brap. Tambourine! Mad!
I don't know she can mash me car about my foot, but my foot but I have no time for tough because I don't work with people, Raga. Mama never work for the damn man. I'm going to tell you. Mama sing in bag. I never know when I'm the bag, we have to talk on the radio.
Oh, no, not go there, sir. Not go there.
People, Mama work with people, Mama work with himself.
All right, we know the levels. Not go there, sir. Yeah.
I want 8,000. She can offer me 8,000.
You see. You see.
She got to take it and put on over a new stove and take out the old chippy, all chip up stuff like a whole in a milk pail where usually in our country in a coffee walk out our house. Brat.
Mad.
You talk about bleaching. What you hard like because she couldn't bleach her since Christmas. I come, she a bleach up, look like pepper light. But now she bleach to look like pepper light. So money, Mama say.
What you say, Mama? What you say, like the money they done and she couldn't bleach?
She go look a low one, she and her man. They're not even front of their house to go look low one.
Mama, 1 second. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. Just bring in the other person, because when that person I say, hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yes.
That girl, that Muma, man. Satan from Yalas. She's a terrible girl from Yalas, man. A bad girl for you, man.
Where you are called from?
Yalas, man. I'll be on St. Thomas, man.
I'll be on St. Thomas in the Yalas region. And you say you know about Muma, Satan from Yalas.
Satan? They have a pretty Indian daughter there for show, man.
Mad! For real?
Yeah, man, and then girl, they will have them out. Satan, we kick them down, man. I will leave a man to beat up over your girl.
What you say? What you say, Muma, a real bad girl for you?
Yeah, man. I tell you somebody that, man.
Okay, so you give with the confirmation.
Yeah, man. She could have her place down all right in the show, man. That girl takes terrible and with it.
Terrible and with it. Then give one I drama when Muma done somebody.
No, we don't really have no drama, but we don't see about her and we see her and know her.
So she a legend down a Yala, Satan. Legend down there.
Yeah, man. A living legend a Yala, man.
Beat off enough man and beer things, no?
Yeah, man.
All right, Papa. Respect for the link here.
Blessings, brother.
Muma.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, that man the same I call from Albion in a St. Thomas in a Yala Street and them I say.
Man, they live Raga. My daughter live in a no matches back. My daughter no parent Raga. Look, daughter Raga. I'm sorry I never twin me up. I mean, I'm rich right now. Me never spare a twin up out of the man there. Some girl can chat to Mama. When my daughter reach 18, Mama nice. And me now reach 32 and me now drive a car.
You see?
That. So some girl a call for radio and a talk this and talk that about them man a artist. And them man are no artist. And what? Good artists are what? Them man a walk foot artist and a studio gate that big.
But Mama, when you say you now reach 32 and have a car?
September me have 32 and me have to have a car before me reach. For my birthday present.
Okay. And what date of September you born, Mama?
16 of September.
Yeah, me just remember again, because we have Virgo. Well, we have Virgo.
Yeah, come for real and come talk about Mama foot dirty. And when Mama foot dirty, Mama now watch your foot and the white man now watch people. We're talking about money, I might foot can't dirty. Come in and pay your water rate. You use water with caution.
Mad!
Them girls have to use water with caution because for them like me now water with orange is what they live rather very expensive.
You see?
A man can be more one time a day. Anytime I want to make, I'm not pay water rate.
So Mama, when you say she did a bleach and turn pepper light?
She did bleach and turn pepper light. She stopped blink because her bulb with blue.
Mad. All right, Mama. Yeah? Okay, all right, Mama. Blessings and respect for the link here.
Yes, Rob, and big up my friend Yvette. I live up at the apartment and them can't stop her. No time.
Big up Yvette up at the apartment, mad.
That's the way I start after the popcorn and fish it and after the boy come chuff out the thing. But you can't buy none put on it.
Well, Sandra them did that done and I said she go at that funeral and I sell popcorn and cheese.
She never the woman like chichi in a farm, Micah.
She what?
She never the woman style like chichi in a farm, Micah.
Never the woman style like chichi in a farm, Micah. Mad.
Yes, that's what the can't get on more for trust like him not like the woman I was her when she asked you up and who them go for her.
No, okay, all right. We're good. All right, go easy there, sir. Yeah, all right then, Mama.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, we link, man. Protection and blessing.
Tell she am right, Raga.
Yeah.
She has a walk cartel. One woman in underwear for a cartel fan. And the breeze that catch him.
No. What I'm saying is that cartel woman hang up fear underwear upon the fan when him sit down and I watch World Cup. And that is a disrespect.
So when do that, right?
Eh?
Raga.
Yeah.
When do that cartel bedroom, cartel woman?
Me don't know if a cartel bedroom him did their theme bedroom and she just a visit him or what, but him say him they sit down and watch World Cup, the fan upon him. And him say cartel woman come put her underwear upon the fan while the fan a blow upon him for dry. Yeah.
A cartel yard and a cartel woman, the woman do anything when I want to do in I'm yard. Him not have the right of the people in the yard.
Oh, no, but even if him there, but Mama, if him there cartel yard, right, and him sit down and watch World Cup and the fan upon him, you know, if cartel woman did really go put her underwear upon the fan while it a blow upon him for dry, that would have be a disrespect. You don't feel so?
Raga.
Eh?
Him better for the breeze take him.
What that?
Raga, where you know all that? You know, make some boy come on the way to cut about underwear breeze. Some of them are them teeth, them use and take it off. They make some boy come on the way to cut. Raga, if I ever talk something, then over later.
Yeah. All right, Mama. Make it stay right. Make it stay right. That's a Mama right. That's a make it turn dead. Make it turn dead. Papa Jesus. No, sir. Mother. Lord have mercy. Good Lord have mercy. Boy, that's why you wear me out today. Not like man.
It's bad. Mama, something.
No, Mama.
Burger to the
Hey, burgers, your burger people ain't terrible.
My love.
Yo, Jano. Yo, people take care of themselves. And I don't know, I mix up and blend that with me. Ragashanti, me are the king of mix up. Me are the principal around here. Miss Cherry Washbelly. Big up my dead mama. Everything legit. See me, Pamela Scott. Miss Cherry from Mile Gully sent me here. And I stop big up. Everything is everything. Yo, people take care of themselves. We'll kick it off 1 o'clock tomorrow. Again, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, of course. Mix up and blend that. Right, yes, so take care of yourself. And remember, Lord the Machine, Jah for your queen. And thing enjoy the country. We say love and joy right, yes, in Jamaica. The country nice. Get up every day and laugh. Find a reason for laugh at least one time. Laugh, learn and grow our motto. You understand? Thick skin and broad back, I do it. The yard is large upon itself. Fan wall and AC wall. Big up while I'm get the fabulous people. I'm right here in Jamaica, Southside and Augustine and Waterhouse. And I don't know the things set and I don't know the levels. Big up while I'm a gangster. I'm going to defend me non-stop 24/7. Because I won't have my head back out there and think when certain boy I violate. I will give thanks. Big up while I'm a police linking them. I that me say without apology. Seeing Cowboy, Superintendent Cowboy, large up yourself because you're doing great things down there and things. You see, Chris Crack. Well, want to say happy birthday to Kirk over there in the New Stock. And think Kirk, large up yourself because we are still family. And I don't know some live good with people. So all of my New Stock linking them over there. So Ragashanti rate to the same way. And that we say, all right, Chris Grass, blaze up the sitting right here no more.